reminding me every time. Yeah, thank you so much. So in today's session, we are going to start two sessions. One is on AR, VR, augmented reality, virtual reality, and second is mobile app development. Here you are going to learn actually how to develop these things. आप आज एक टीचर, आप आज एक दो चीजें सीखने वाले हैं आज के सेशन में. हमारे साथ दो, आई थिंक जस्ट गिव मी अ मोमेंट, आई म्यूट. सो आज के सेशन में हम दो चीजें सीखने वाले हैं. एक है हमारा रियलिटी वर्सेस वर्चुअल रियलिटी, जिसमें हम एक एप्लीकेशन बनाना सीखेंगे, और साथ ही साथ हम लोग सीखेंगे मोबाइल पे हम वो कैसे मोबाइल ऐप बना सकते हैं. ठीक है, तो हमारे मेरे साथ मेरे दो कलीग्स हैं. मुसैब है जो हमारे साथ कश्मीर से जिन्होंने ज्वाइन किया है, और मेरे साथ में अमरनाथ है जिन्होंने तमिलनाडु चेन्नई से ज्वाइन किया हुआ. तो मैं वही बता रहा था, नॉर्थ और साउथ से हमारे साथ दो कलीग्स हैं, और मैं दिल्ली से बात कर रहा हूँ. तो आई होप आपको आज का सेशन बहुत अच्छा लगेगा. और दूसरा, आपसे रिक्वेस्ट है, मैंने एक एप्लीकेशन भेजी थी आपको, आप उसको इंस्टॉल कर सकते हैं अपने मोबाइल फोन पे. और आईफोन यूजर्स के लिए मैं आपको बताता हूँ कि हम कैसे कौन से एप्लीकेशन हम यूज करने वाले हैं. या सो आई होप माई वॉइस एंड ऑडियो इज क्लियर. मेरा वॉइस आपको बिल्कुल सही चल रहा है, ताकि मैं अपना सेशन आज का स्टार्ट कर सकूं. इफ यस, यू कैन रेज अ थम्स अप, अपना थम्स अप दिखा सकते हैं, जिससे मुझे समझ में आ जाएगा कि सब कुछ मेरे एंड पे सही है, और मैं हम वी आर गुड टू गो विद दिस ट्रेनिंग. ग्रेट. ग्रेट. सो सबसे पहले मैं अपनी स्क्रीन शेयर करके आपको I'll show you about the gem. I'll take 10 minutes about the gem portal, and then I'll hand over to Mr. Musab. Okay. Meanwhile, Gokul, I request teachers has double. I think 424 teachers has joined. You can share the attendance WhatsApp group and feedback form. Yeah. So I am just going to show you the gem portal. Just give me a moment. But attendance is mandatory for on a daily basis. So I request please mark your attendance, which is very important. I know it takes time, but regular basis पे हमें वो देखना होता है कि how many teachers actually join a session. And one more thing, I just want to say, teachers, those who are posting Facebook page, those who are posting about the teachers training and activities on Facebook page, one suggestion for you, जब भी आप उसमें लिखते हैं, तो आप सबसे पहले एम एलएलएफ या फिर नीति आयोग के, या जिसको भी आपको टैग करना है, उनके पेजेस को लाइक कीजिए उस फेसबुक आईडी से. जब उनको लाइक करेंगे, फिर हैश टैग की जगह @ करें. @ से क्या होता है, मेंशन होता है कि आप उनको मेंशन कर रहे हैं. हैशटैग में क्या होता है कि हम उनको वो हैशटैग में शायद हम वो नहीं देख पाते कि आपने क्या पोस्ट किया, तो आप @ करके अगर उनको टैग करेंगे, तो वहां से वो आपके स्कूल पेज को ओपन करेंगे. आप मेंशन कर रहे हैं. @ का मतलब होता है मेंशन. तो जैसे हम व्हाट्सएप पे @ करके किसी को टैग करते हैं ग्रुप में, सिमिलरली फेसबुक पे भी आप @ करके उनका उनका पेज का नाम लिखेंगे, तभी वो मेंशन हो पाएगा. ठीक है. तो ये चीज मैं इसलिए बता रहा हूँ कि कई बार टीचर्स जो हम इतने ज्यादा एक्टिव नहीं है फेसबुक पे या सोशल मीडिया पे जितने आज के स्टूडेंट्स हैं, तो शायद ये चीजें नहीं पता होती. तो आप @ करके उनको आप टैग करिएगा, तभी वो उनको पता लगेगा कि अच्छा इस स्कूल में ये काम हो रहा है. ठीक है. और आप जरूर मेरे साथ लिंक जरूर शेयर कीजिएगा, क्योंकि मुझे एक अच्छा सा एक समरी बनानी है सारे स्कूल्स की पोस्ट की, एक स्क्रीनशॉट लेके मुझे एक पूरा एक रिकॉर्ड भी बनाना है आपके कि इन स्कूल से ये चीज हुई है. और मैं डेफिनेटली एम को भी ये चीजें हम कोशिश करेंगे कि आपका टैग हम वहां भी शेयर करें. या सो मैं अपना स्क्रीन शेयर कर रहा हूँ. शेयरिंग माय स्क्रीन राइट नाउ. जस्ट गिव मी अ thumbs up if it's visible to all of you. Yes, so I think this is now visible for to everyone. Right, so should we start? Gokul, can we start now?
Yeah, Neeraj.
Great. So, teacher, now let's start with GEM portal. About GEM, what is GEM? So, I'll just give you a small idea. I think there are a lot of expert teachers, those who already know, and there are some new teachers, those who knows but a little bit. So GEM is a government e-marketplace. It's just like we have Amazon and Flipkart. जैसे हमारे पास Amazon Flipkart है, ऐसा ही हमारा ये GEM पोर्टल है. होता क्या है कि हम Flipkart से Amazon से सामान खरीदते हैं अपने डेली यूज के लिए. उसी तरह से अगर हमें कोई अपने एटीएल लैब के लिए अगर सामान लेना है, या फिर हम कोई गवर्नमेंट से रिलेटेड कोई चीज प्रोक्योर करना चाहते हैं, तो हम GEM पोर्टल का इस्तेमाल करते हैं. ठीक है. तो आप अगर अपने एटीएल लैब में है, तो आप भी अपने GEM के थ्रू अपना कोई आपको सामान प्रोक्योर करना है तो आप इस गाइडलाइंस को पूरा पढ़ सकते हो और आप यहाँ से भी आप अपना लैब से रिलेटेड मटेरियल आप देख सकते हैं। तो सबसे पहले बात इसमें इस ये जो बुक है ये हमारे एम के पोर्टल पे अवेलेबल है। अगर मैंने जितने भी अभी तक आपको प्रेजेंटेशंस दिखाई हैं, पीडीएफ दिखाए हैं, तो मोस्टली वो सब हमारे एम के पोर्टल पे अवेलेबल हैं। आप वहां पे जा करके एक्सप्लोर करके आप उन सारे पोर्टल्स को एक्सेस कर सकते हैं। टाइम टू टाइम अगर कुछ चीजें चेंजेस भी होती है तो वहां पे वो लिंक अपडेट हो जाएगा। हो सकता है मैं आपको ये लिंक शेयर करूं और क्या पता वो एम ने बाद में उसको गाइडलाइंस को चेंज कर दिया हो, तो आप मेरे पुराने रेफर को ही, पुराने जो मैंने पीडीएफ दिया आप उसको रेफर कर रहे हो, है ना। तो इट्स बेटर, आपको मैं यही रिकमेंड करूंगा आप एम के पोर्टल पे जाइए और वहां पे जो लाइव फ्रेश जो कंटेंट है आप उसको एक्सेस कीजिए, अवेल कीजिए। आई डो नॉट वांट कि मैं आपको कोई पुराना या आज की डेट का कोई कंटेंट आपको भेजता हूँ और वो सडनली कल चेंज हो जाता है, देन यू विल ब्लेम कि सर आपने कुछ और दिया था और यहाँ पे कुछ और दिखा रहा है। तो इट्स बेटर आप एम के पोर्टल पे जाइए और वहां से यू टेक द fresh content. So, teacher, I'm saying that if you need something regarding this content about the manuals and all, you refer AIMS portal. Now, here we are in this content, we are going to understand registration on JAM, activation of JAM ID, introduction to jammail.gov, then profile, mobile number. Right. So, let's move to the next slide. So, registration on JAM. So, here is the link, and it's a ATL query resolution portal. You can go through it and this is what you will see. So just a second, आपको this is a registration on gem. How to register on gem? You have to follow like these steps. So they have already mentioned the step by step instructions, like if you want to activate your gem id, right? So let me full screen my display full screen. Yeah, so you can see here, they have mentioned, screenshots. They have already put the screenshots of each page, like how if you want to create ID, and just a second. Yes, I think now it's clear. Yeah. So if you want to create an gem ID, right? Here the step-by-step instructions are there. Like you have to first log into mail.gov.in and then you will see this kind of pop-up, right? After that, you have to verify your details. Then similarly, click on the step-by-step instructions are there, right? Activate your gem account. So these are some details that you have to fill for activation of your gem account. And profile, if you want to profile update or login update, you can see from here. So यहाँ पे वन बाय वन एक एक स्टेप इन्होंने पिक्चर वाइज आपको एक एक इजी करने के लिए प्रोसेस को यहाँ पे दे हैव मेंशन ईच एंड एवरीथिंग, राइट। आपको अगर जेम आईडी ओपन करनी है, देन उसके बाद अगर आपको अपने डिटेल्स फिल करनी है, राइट, प्रोफाइल बनाने के बाद आपको कुछ डिटेल्स फिल करनी पड़ेंगी, लाइक योर इनिशियल्स, आपका डेजिग्नेशन, लास्ट नेम, फर्स्ट नेम, डेट ऑफ बर्थ। देन आफ्टर दैट इफ यू वांट टू अपडेट योर मोबाइल नंबर, अगर आपको अपना मोबाइल नंबर अपडेट करना है तो आप यहाँ से अपना मोबाइल नंबर पे अपडेट कर सकते हैं। देन दिस इज अ ऐप। I think this screen is, wait, I think the screen is not completely coming. Yeah. So, right, then email credentials. If you want to update your email ID also, up here you can update your email ID on government portal. Then your profile, user profile, how many floors, buildings you have, mobile number. So everything is here. You just need to update the detail when creating your GEM ID portal. Then mobile number updation. Then it's a mobile app. Then here you can use your आपको कैसे तरह से मैसेज भी आएगा, that right. So the process, why I'm showing you this thing, because everything is there. And if you want to understand, here is the credential. You just have to fill your credentials and then you can get the access of all these things. आधार कार्ड, आप जिसके लिए भी आप जेम आईडी बना रहे हैं ना, उनका आधार कार्ड है, या फिर जो भी स्कूल का लगता है डॉक्यूमेंट, दैट यू कैन फिल ओवर हियर। So, so I'm just giving you here the complete info about Pass app, Gem ID, capture. Then you have to fill these details. So step by step, all the instructions are over here. Then create a new password, login with new password at Gem portal. Right. Then here on gem.in, if you want to change your ID password, so you can change from here. The option is already there. So Right. Then after that, if you submit the above details, password reset link उसको और जो है ना स्कूल की ईमेल आईडी पे आएगा। अगर आप स्कूल ईमेल आईडी अगर करेक्ट है, आपका ऑफिशियल जो मेल आईडी किसी ने पहले अगर दिया है और वो एकदम करेक्ट है, तो आप यहाँ से इसको चेंज कर सकते हैं। एंड दिस इज द कॉन्टेक्ट नंबर ऑफ हेल्पलाइन नंबर फॉर रिजोल्यूशन। सो आप इसे कॉन्टेक्ट करके यू कैन कनेक्ट विद देम एंड दे विल रिजॉल्व योर क्वेरी। So this is about the creation of gem id. Now once your id is created, then and inside it there are a lot of things that how to purchase, how to buy, how to bid. So everything is already there in the aims का portal. There is a one more pdf जहाँ पे आप जा करके जेम से रिलेटेड पूरी इंफॉर्मेशन ले सकते हैं. Why I'm not going in detail, because this is something related to purchase material that I do not want, because it's a school's का call, right? So I do not want to give some more कि आपको कहाँ से बाय करना है, क्या करना है. बट येस, if you need a complete more information, you just have this PDF, and there are more PDF also on Gem ID, जहाँ पे आपको proper instructions दिया हुआ है. That is all available on the AIM का portal, right? So this is one thing. So it's 12:24. Okay. So now moving to the next one, I think we have done with this. But yes, if you want to more explore more, already the content is all on go AIMS portal. Yeah. So let me just give me a moment. This is we have. hmm, Then we have dashboards. We have understand procurement guidelines, kitchen fund, equipment. We go to the discussion. Okay. So yeah. So this is done. Then we have Mr. Musab. Hello, Musab. Can you hear me?
Yes, sir, loud and clear.
Yes, yes, yes. So, hi, hello, teacher. So, we have Mr. Musab, who has joined us from Kashmir, Baramulla, and he's one of the mentor, and he's from Learning Links Foundation. So, in today's session, he's going to cover a topic which is mobile app development. So, in today's session, you are going to understand how we can develop or create a mobile application. And parallelly, I request you to join. If you have a laptop or a computer with you, you can do this training parallel. And if you have a mobile, you can do on mobile also, but it's kind of typical. But yes, if you have a laptop, I think this is one of the good platform, right? So he's going to share the mobile, how you can develop your first application on mobile phone. Even you can use those applications on your smart Android phones. And then you even like suppose if you want to participate in ATL marathon, such applications can help you for this. Yes. So over to you, Musab.
Yes, yes. Hello, everyone. Good morning. Am I
Let,
audible? Please give me a
yes,
thumbs up.
let me unmute the teachers so that they can
Good
interact.
morning, sir.
Good morning,
Good
sir.
morning,
Good
sir.
morning,
Good
sir.
morning, sir.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, sir.
Marvelous morning,
Good
sir.
morning, sir.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, sir.
Good
Good
morning,
morning,
sir.
sir.
Morning, sir.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning. Good morning, everyone. I welcome you all to the day 4 of this wonderful teacher training. And
Good morning,
I
sir.
hope, good morning, good morning. I hope you have been learning quite a lot and you have been enjoying these sessions, and you have been implementing these sessions in your daily learning and daily ATL life. So today, what we are going to,
Sir, your voice is too slow, sir. Can you loud, please?
it's not
Uh,
that audible.
no, that's
Yes,
fine,
sir.
I guess. Others can.
Yes, sir. Voice is
Yes,
clear.
I
Yes.
think it's fine.
Uh,
Go ahead.
yes,
There
yes.
might
So
be some issues with your computer or your device only. Please check your mic, check your speakers and all.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, sir. Good morning, everyone.
Good morning.
Good morning, sir.
yes.
Good morning from
So,
Anantnag, Kashmir.
thank you, sir. Thank you very much. Good morning. So,
You're on mute,
Good morning,
Musab,
sir.
please. Let me.
fine.
Hmm.
Today we are going for an exciting topic. It's mobile app development, and I hope every one of you have been using mobile apps. Am I right? सब लोग अभी तक मोबाइल एप्स यूज करते आ रहे हैं, सब लोग इंटरनेट यूज करते आ रहे हैं। और ये कि किसको पता है अभी कि एक मोबाइल ऐप एग्जैक्टली एक मोबाइल ऐप क्या होती है? व्हाट इज अ मोबाइल ऐप? इफ somebody can share with me. Yes, expecting your responses.
Hello.
Yes.
So many web pages connected into the one software, sir. So many web pages means like come to the school registration page and report cards and teacher stops and helpers. So many pages connected into one software, sir.
Okay. So, ma'am just said it is a collection of pages
Yes,
So
sir.
everything we
that
will
have
get at
been
one place.
that have been internally connected to
Yes,
do
sir.
some
Interconnected.
specific job, right?
Yes.
So
Sir,
it's somewhat correct, but we can't. We other responses, please. किसको पता है एक मोबाइल ऐप क्या चीज होती है?
I think they are writing in the chat box also. So we have opened the
Okay.
chat. Yeah, so teachers, you can use chat also, and then when we can.
So let me just finish what uh, ma'am just said. It's a collection of web pages. Collection of web pages. Can't we just call that a website? क्या हम कलेक्शन ऑफ वेब पेज को वेबसाइट नहीं बोल सकते?
Yes.
Yes, obviously that will be typically a website. एक वेबसाइट बन जाएगी जब हम कलेक्शन ऑफ वेब पेज की बात करते हैं। लेकिन कलेक्शन ऑफ दीज वेब पेज व्हेन इट इज टर्न्ड इनटू सम small breathable element that can help that can actually work on your mobile phone, so you do not have to access the website every now and then. जैसे फॉर एग्जाम्पल आप ऑनलाइन शॉपिंग करते हैं सब लोग, दो तरीके से होती है। या तो आप शॉपिंग करते हैं फ्रॉम ए वेबसाइट, ब्राउजर खोल के वहां पे फॉर एग्जाम्पल मिंत्रा.com लिख के शॉपिंग करते हैं, या तो आपकी मिंत्रा नाम की ऐप आपके फोन में होती है, राइट? सो व्हाट एक्चुअली इज द डिफरेंस? डिफरेंस ये है कि जो हम ब्राउजर के थ्रू से एक्सेस करने की कोशिश करते हैं दैट इज समवट स्टैटिक। स्टैटिक मीन्स उसमें ज्यादा कुछ होता नहीं है और वो थोड़ी
No changes
भारी
are
होती
reflected.
है।
No
यस
changes
यस
are there.
यस यस, वी कैन से कि इट इज नॉट दैट लाइट वेट।
Yes.
और इसी को हम लाइट वेट बनाने की कोशिश में हम एक मोबाइल ऐप बना के अपने फोन में रखते हैं। आप बताइए, क्या आप में से किसी ने अभी तक ये सोचा है कि हम लोग मोबाइल ऐप बना सकते हैं? अभी तक? सो टिपिकली आप सबके फोन में मोबाइल ऐप्स है। एवरीवन सुबह उठने से शाम के सोने तक वी यूज लॉट्स ऑफ एप्स, from shopping, from booking your tickets, from booking your rides, from other things, productivity, education, and all that. We use mobile apps, right?
Yes, sir.
So our phones, our phones are filled with mobile apps, lots of them. So have we just anytime have we just thought कि ये कैसे बनती है ये app?
React Native. There are different
There are
platforms
there
which
are
are
there are
supported.
certain ways one can
Yes.
do, right?
Yes.
Those who don't know, most of the times the apps are developed with the help of programming language.
Programming. Yes.
Typically, there are certain programming language that are used to develop mobile apps. पहले पहले कुछ लैंग्वेज थी, अब ज्यादा एडवांस हो गई है, सिंपल मोबाइल एप्स है और सिंपल लैंग्वेज टूल्स है जो हम यूज करते हैं। बट पहले पहले थोड़ा मुश्किल था। देयर वर सर्टेन प्रोग्रामिंग लैंग्वेज जो एक ह्यूमन यूजर के लिए बहुत अंडरस्टैंड करना मुश्किल था। सो कमिंग टू द पार्ट, दो चीजें होती है एक मोबाइल ऐप में, समथिंग दैट द यूजर सेज एंड समथिंग दैट द यूजर डजंट। फॉर एग्जाम्पल, यू यूज फेसबुक, राइट? जैसे आप, अभी हम मोबाइल ऐप की बात ना करके हम एक वेबसाइट पे आते हैं। जैसे आप फेसबुक www.facebook.com टाइप करते हैं यूआरएल, ठीक है? तो एक सर्टन, मैं दिखा देता हूँ, जस्ट लेट मी शेयर माय स्क्रीन। गिव मी अ सेकंड। यू सी, टिपिकली जब हम एक यूआरएल को एक्सेस करते हैं, से फॉर एग्जांपल facebook.com, तो ये एक पेज खुलता है नॉर्मली, राइट?
Yes.
यस, दिस इज व्हाट वी कॉल फ्रंट एंड, जो सामने से यूजर को दिखे, फ्रंट
Okay.
सामने से। बट देर आर सर्टन थिंग्स दैट आर ऑन इट्स बैक। लाइकवाइज, हम यहाँ पे अपनी ईमेल आईडी, यहाँ पे अपना पासवर्ड एंटर करते हैं, राइट? जैसे
Database
हम
मतलब data.
लॉग इन पे क्लिक करते हैं, वेयर डज दीज टू डिटेल्स गो? ये
In
कहाँ
the
जाती है ये डिटेल्स?
database में.
Exactly, they go to some place that have already stored our details, right? जो बैक
Yes.
एंड में, उसको हम बैक एंड कहते हैं, जहां पे ये डिटेल्स हमारी स्टोर हो जाती है। द फर्स्ट टाइम वी साइन अप एंड एवरी टाइम वी लॉग इन, दीज टू डिटेल्स, दीज कंप्लीटली टू डिटेल्स आर, इनको क्या किया जाता है, आपस में कंपेयर किया जाता है, सो दैट आवर लॉग इन इज अप्रूव्ड, राइट?
Yes, sir.
टू थिंग्स, फ्रंट एंड एंड बैक एंड। तो फ्रंट एंड में क्या होता है कि एक डिजाइनर पार्ट, क्योंकि यूजर को तो ये पता नहीं होता बैक एंड में क्या होता है, और इसको जानना भी नहीं है कि बैक एंड में क्या हो रहा है। सो यूजर का ना काम सिर्फ फ्रंट एंड में होता है, और बैक एंड के लिए अलग लोग होते हैं। सो ये सब बनाने के लिए कोडिंग का इस्तेमाल होता है, प्रोग्रामिंग का इस्तेमाल होता है, और बैक एंड के लिए भी अलग से प्रोग्रामिंग होती है, बट द यूजर इज जस्ट कंसर्न विद द फ्रंट एंड पार्ट। अब हम मोबाइल ऐप की बात करते हैं। अब इसी चीज को हमने क्या किया है, एक लाइट वेट प्रोसेस बना के मोबाइल के थ्रू से यूज करते रहते हैं, राइट? सो मोबाइल ऐप बनाने के लिए वी हैव टू बेसिक थिंग्स बट वी कैन यूज टू डेवलप अ मोबाइल। द फर्स्ट थिंग इज, हम प्रोग्रामिंग लैंग्वेज के थ्रू से, जैसे राकेश सर ने अभी बोला कि हम रिएक्ट के थ्रू से करते हैं। देर आर सर्टन अदर थिंग्स जस्ट लाइक फ्लटर। ये कुछ प्रोग्रामिंग लैंग्वेज है जो बहुत फास्ट फास्ट काम करती है और फास्ट फास्ट से हमें मोबाइल ऐप बनाने में हेल्प करती है। बट हमारा कंसर्न भी यह है कि सब मोबाइल ऐप बना सके, हम सब मोबाइल ऐप बना सकें, बिकॉज वी डोंट नो फ्लटर, वी डोंट नो रिएक्ट, वी डोंट नो नोड जेएस, वी डोंट नो अदर थिंग्स। ये सब चीजें हमें नहीं पता है, किसी को कुछ नहीं पता है इन चीजों के बारे में। सो हाउ इज इट पॉसिबल फॉर अस टू क्रिएट अ मोबाइल ऐप विदाउट नोइंग ऑल दीज कॉम्प्लिकेशंस ऑफ प्रोग्रामिंग लैंग्वेज? एनी गेसेस? एनी गेसेस? Yes, yes, yes. Blog based. There are certain things in the chat. I can see using programming, using Scratch, using AI, App Inventor, blog based. Right, right, right. Quite right. So two things I said. The first thing is programming, and the second thing we go for block based programming. Apart from that, we have AIs right now that develop apps for you, but they are just a text away from developing your app. तो उसमें हमारी कोई कॉम्प्लिकेशन नहीं है, हमारा कोई स्किल नहीं लगता, बस उसमें एआई का काम होता है। तो हम कहने की बात यह है कि हम कैसे बनाएं, हम खुद से कैसे बनाएं, हम कैसे स्किल डेवलप करें, सो दैट वी कैन क्रिएट एन ऐप, राइट? So Python, somebody is saying Python, yes, Python code based, yes. Not everyone knows code, not everyone knows Python. So what we are trying to do here is we are trying to switch to block-based programming. So let me share you. If this is visible to all of you, let's get started. My screen is visible. Please thumbs up. Please give me a thumbs up.
Yes, yes.
Okay, thank you. So the actual topic is mobile application development, and for that, what actually is a mobile app? We just discussed about that. So applications specifically designed to run on smartphone, जैसे कि हमारे स्मार्टफोन के हम iOS जो डिवाइसेस है, एप्पल के डिवाइसेस है, क्रोम डिवाइसेस है हमारे पास, बाकी सारे डिवाइसेस है जिसमें हम ये सारी एप्लीकेशंस यूज करते हैं. वी कॉल दैट एन मोबाइल ऐप. मोबाइल ऐप की कुछ फीचर्स हैं जो हम डायरेक्टली इंस्टॉल कर सकते हैं मोबाइल ऐप को प्ले स्टोर से, एप्पल के प्ले स्टोर से, और इनके साथ हम ऑनलाइन ऑफलाइन जैसी भी ऐप हो उसको हम यूज कर सकते हैं. एक खासियत ये है एक मोबाइल ऐप की, इट कैन एक्सेस डिवाइस फीचर्स. वंस वी इंस्टॉल एन ऐप, it asks us for permissions to do these things, to use these things, camera, GPS, contacts, photos and all that. सो ये सब चीजें वेबसाइट में नहीं होती. वेबसाइट आपका कैमरा एक्सेस करने के लिए ऑथोराइज्ड नहीं है, बट यू गिव ऑथराइजेशन टू अ मोबाइल ऐप टू डू द सेम. So here are examples of mobile apps: WhatsApp, Instagram, Google Maps, Facebook, Instagram, these LinkedIn, and all these. These things are mobile apps that we typically use on a daily basis. So what is a website? Ma'am recently said it's a collection of web pages. Yes, it's a collection of web pages, but they are not directly accessible. They are accessed via a web browser. What is a web browser? Web browser is an application that is a mobile application too. That is an application that is used to access websites, web pages on the internet, on the World Wide Web, www. So the web browsers that we typically use: Google Chrome, Safari, Firefox. Google Chrome is Google based, Safari is iOS based, and Firefox is general web browser that we use on our laptops and our mobile phones. So website, it always requires an internet connection to work and to load, because जस्ट लाइक मोबाइल एप्लीकेशंस, हम मोबाइल एप्लीकेशन, कुछ मोबाइल एप्लीकेशंस ऐसी भी है जो इंटरनेट ना हो तब भी हम यूज कर सकते हैं. जैसे हमारे पास कुछ गेम्स होती है, कभी कभार क्या होता है कि इंटरनेट नहीं रहता, जैसे बाढ़ की सूरत हाल हो गई, जैसे कुछ ऐसा मामला हो गया कि हमारे पास इंटरनेट नहीं है. व्हाट वी डू, वी प्ले गेम्स ऑन आवर फोन्स. दीज गेम्स कैन बी यूज्ड विदाउट एन इंटरनेट कनेक्शन, राइट? बट website, it always needs an internet connection because it is web page that have been put on World Wide Web, www. does not need installation. इसमें कोई installation की जरूरत नहीं होती वेबसाइट में. but a mobile app always needs installation. You need to install a mobile app to use it. but for a website, you just open a browser, type your URL. what is a URL? URL क्या होता है? somebody, किसी को पता है यूआरएल? यूआरएल मींस यूनिफॉर्म रिसोर्स लोकेटर. यूनिफॉर्म रिसोर्स लोकेटर का मतलब होता है www.facebook.com. दिस कंप्लीट टेक्स्ट इज कॉल्ड a uniform resource locator. It locates the resource on the web. मैंने ऐसे इससे पहले भी कहा कि डिवाइस फीचर सारे एक वेबसाइट डायरेक्टली यूज नहीं कर सकती, जैसे कि आपका कैमरा, जैसे कि आपके कॉन्टैक्ट, जैसे कि आपके अदर रिसोर्स ऑन योर फोन, ऑन योर लैपटॉप, राइट? कुछ एग्जांपल्स है: google.com, wikipedia.com, instagram.com, facebook.com. These are websites that we can access through the web. The app development that we have been doing quite recently and from the past years, that we call programming-based apps, programming-based these software developments, app developments. But quite recently, two things have become very common. दो चीजें हैं जो बड़ी कॉमन हो गई है। पहला तो है एआई बेस्ड ऐप डेवलपमेंट, बट दे आर नॉट टिपिकली फ्री फॉर यू टू क्रिएट, सो दे ऑलवेज चार्ज यू सम बक्स, तो उसमें पैसा लगता है। सो द थर्ड थिंग इज ऐप डेवलपमेंट विदाउट कोड। तो एआई का मैंने इसलिए नहीं रखा है बिकॉज वी डू नॉट typically encourage people, not even our students, to create apps, to create documents right from these sites like ChatGPT, Gemini, etc. But for this app development without code, yes, we encourage students, we encourage teachers, because it is as something like a skill. I would call it a skill. Someone can just use blocks to develop an app, to develop certain things, to develop I'm sorry, somebody is writing.
Wait. Okay, let me clear. Yeah, you can continue. I'll clear.
Okay, it's okay. So app development without code. So how many of you, let's have a discussion. How many of you have used or are known to a thing called drag and drop coding? कितने लोग हैं, प्लीज रेज योर हैंड्स और गिव मी अ थम्स अप। कितने लोगों को पता है कि ड्रैग एंड ड्रॉप कोडिंग क्या होती है? यस, यस, टू हैंड्स रेज्ड, आई कैन सी मैनी। यस, 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 yes, I can see many hands raised. Well, thank you very much. So most of us don't know about drag and drop type of codes, but do some of us do. So let's help ourselves with that. So before I actually start with developing some mobile application, I would like to throw some light on these coding, these theoretical aspects of mobile app development. What is no code development? What is block coding? क्या चीज होती है? Creating applications without writing traditional code. Actual code लिखे बगैर, actual code means logic, जो लिखना पड़ता है उसको लिखे बगैर ऐप डेवलपमेंट कैसे होता है? ड्रैग एंड ड्रॉप इंटरफेस, इसमें कुछ ज्यादा करना होता है नहीं। वी ड्रैग एंड ड्रॉप थिंग्स ऑन द स्क्रीन एंड दे डू देयर वर्क. So it's for non-programmers because not all of us are from computer science background, not all of us are from technical backgrounds, not all of us are from software development backgrounds. So for us to develop a mobile app, this is the perfect platform. These non-code based applications, non-code based application development. And last thing, it speeds up development. एक कोडिंग वाले बंदे को अगर एप्लीकेशन बनाने में 3 दिन लगते हैं, तो हम ब्लॉक बेस्ड कोडिंग से वो एप्लीकेशन एक दिन में बना सकते हैं. सो इट स्पीड्स अप डेवलपमेंट, बट देर आर सर्टेन लिमिटेशंस टू. कुछ शॉर्टकमिंग्स है इसमें, सो विल डिस्कस अबाउट देम ऑल्सो. तो कुछ टूल्स है, मोस्ट ऑफ द टूल्स, सॉरी, दो टूल्स है हमारे पास. एक है थंकेबल करके, और दूसरा है हमारे पास MIT ऐप इन्वेंटर. थंकेबल इज अ वेबसाइट टू एंड MIT ऐप इन्वेंटर इज अ वेबसाइट टू. ये दोनों चीजें हैं जो वेबसाइट की शेप में है. ये हमारी नॉन कोड बेस्ड एप्लीकेशन डेवलप में हेल्प करती है. थंकेबल क्या है? ड्रैग एंड ड्रॉप बिल्डर. इसमें भी ड्रैग एंड ड्रॉप चीजें हैं जो हम ड्रैग कर सकते हैं, ड्रॉप कर सकते हैं. बट द इशू इज, थंकेबल जो है ये दोनों चीजों के लिए हमारे पास ऐप डेवलप करने में हेल्प करती है. iOS के लिए भी, मींस एप्पल आईफोन्स के लिए भी, एंड एंड्रॉयड एप्स डेवलप करने में भी हेल्प करती है. बट MIT ऐप इन्वेंटर जो है, दैट्स फोकस्ड प्रेजेंटली ऑन एंड्रॉयड, बट इन बीटा वर्जन, टेस्टिंग वर्जन में है iOS के लिए भी, एंड एजुकेशन एंड लर्निंग के लिए ये ज्यादा हेल्प करती है. इट्स डेवलप्ड बाय MIT मैसाचुसेट्स इंस्टीट्यूट ऑफ टेक्नोलॉजी USA. उनके इंजीनियर्स ने ये डेवलप की है. सो बेनिफिट्स जो है, फास्टर डेवलपमेंट टाइम, बहुत फटाफट से क्विकली जो है हमारी एप्लीकेशंस डेवलप हो जाती है. दूसरा, इजी प्रोटोटाइपिंग, हमें ज़्यादा काम नहीं करना पड़ता. इजीली प्रोटोटाइप्स बन जाते हैं, इजीली फ्लो चार्ट्स बन जाते हैं, सब चीजें कॉस्ट इफेक्टिव, मोस्ट ऑफ द टाइम्स फ्री है। इन केस फ्री ना भी हो, देर आर चार्ज बट वेरी मिनिमल चार्ज फॉर एप्लीकेशन डेवलपमेंट। एनकरेजेस इनोवेशन, इनोवेशन इसलिए एनकरेज करते हैं क्योंकि ये जो है ब्लॉक बेस्ड डेवलपमेंट, वी कैन एक्चुअली स्टार्ट इट फ्रॉम द वेरी बिगिनिंग ऑफ आवर एजुकेशन लीनेज। जैसे कि हमारे स्टूडेंट जो है 5th क्लास 6th क्लास से ही ये सब चीजें करने की कोशिश करते हैं। सो इट एनकरेज एक्चुअल इनोवेशन इन देयर माइंडसेट। लोअर लर्निंग कर, इसमें ज्यादा सीखने की कोशिश नहीं करनी पड़ती है। जस्ट लाइक एक प्रोग्रामिंग लैंग्वेज के लिए ज्यादा सीखना पड़ता है, ज्यादा टाइम देना पड़ता है। तो उस हिसाब से इट इज क्वाइट इजी टू लर्न एंड you do not have to put on much effort to learn about these things. So moving on, how थंकेबल वर्क्स, थंकेबल कैसे वर्क करता है, विजुअल है, ब्लॉक बेस्ड है। दिस इज द सेम फॉर बोथ ऑफ दीज। रियूजेबल कंपोनेंट्स है, जैसे ये मैं आपको अभी दिखा देता हूँ लाइव। जैसे हम एक ऐप बनाने की कोशिश करेंगे, तब हमारे पास ये सब चीजें जो है हम
I think, Musab, your voice is breaking. There's some network glitch. No, it's fine, I guess.
it's
You can,
fine.
yeah, you can do one thing. You can, if there's a network, you can save the bandwidth by through video.
Just give me a second.
It's my bandwidth. I don't know, but
Okay.
yes,
That's
yes.
fine, Neeraj.
That's
Okay.
fine. Okay, great. I think this from my end. Sorry.
तो आर वी डूइंग जस्ट गुड? कोई इशू तो नहीं है अभी तक समझने में?
I think we have lots of thumbs up.
Okay,
But
okay. Let's do one thing. Let's have a short question answer session. So after that we will move forward. Please ask. Please feel free to ask.
Yes. So I'm unmuting the participants
Sure,
if they
sure.
want to. Yes.
Nice explanation, sir. Please be continue.
Nice, sir. Nice.
Very interesting topic.
Thank you. Thank you very much. Thank you very much,
Go
teachers.
ahead.
Continue with.
Nice explanations. Interesting topic. Please explain.
Thank you. Thank you
Yes.
very much.
You can continue, Musab. I guess that's
Okay,
fine.
okay,
Moving on.
okay, sir.
Please
Yes.
carry on, sir.
Okay, sir. I'm moving forward with this.
Carry on, sir. Please continue.
Sure, sure. So there are certain things we can develop in this. There are certain things we can develop using Thunkables and MIT App Inventor. So using Thunkables, most of the times people have built web apps, IoT controllers. IoT means Internet of Things controller, expenses tracker, and all that. And using MIT App Inventor, people have been developing quiz apps, alarm apps, simple games. Because I said MIT App Inventor is focused generally in schools, universities, and college students, and they do these things: quiz apps, simple games, and all that. So there are certain pros and cons of everything, and there are certain pros and cons to this thing too. So the pros would be no coding knowledge is needed. कोडिंग की कोई नॉलेज जरूरत नहीं पड़ती है, बट दैट इज अ कॉन टू, आई फील कि अगर आपको कोडिंग की नॉलेज इससे नहीं मिलती है तो सीखने को भी बहुत कम मिलता है, आई वुड से। क्योंकि कोडिंग की नॉलेज से दो चीजें होती है, एक तो जो यूजर है या जो डेवलपर है वो बनाने के लिए सक्षम बन जाता है, और दूसरा उसमें एक और चीज डेवलप हो जाती है, वी कॉल दैट लॉजिक। सो अगर आपके पास लॉजिक डेवलप हो गया, सो एक प्रॉब्लम सॉल्विंग स्किल होता है लॉजिक, लॉजिक डेवलपमेंट। सो ये चीज मिस आउट हो जाती है इन केस वी यूज दीज ब्लॉक बेस्ड प्रोग्रामिंग, ब्लॉक बेस्ड मोबाइल एप्लीकेशन डेवलपमेंट। गुड फॉर लर्निंग लॉजिक एंड यूआई। इसमें लॉजिक ज्यादा डेवलप नहीं हो पाता, बट यूआई डेवलपमेंट के लिए ठीक है। यूआई मीन्स यूजर इंटरफेस, फ्रंट एंड जो है वो इससे इजीली डेवलप डेवलप हो जाता है, हमें ज्यादा लिखने की जरूरत नहीं पड़ती। थर्ड इज कम्युनिटी सपोर्ट। कम्युनिटी सपोर्ट का मतलब होता है वी हैव सर्टन पीपल दैट हैव बीन डेवलपिंग एप्स यूजिंग थंकेबल्स। जैसे मान लीजिए थंकेबल्स में अभी तक 1,000 लोगों ने एप्लीकेशंस बनाई है, एंड दीज 1,000 पीपल have developed a community to help each other and to have and to help new users with their concerns and anything that they feel there is help needed for, right? So for the cons part we have limited customization। जैसा कि एक डेवलपर एक एप्लीकेशन के साथ अपनी प्रोग्रामिंग के थ्रू से कर सकता है, जितनी पॉसिबिलिटीज है उतनी पॉसिबिलिटीज ब्लॉक बेस्ड प्रोग्रामिंग में नहीं होती। देयर आर सर्टेन लिमिटेशंस फॉर कस्टमाइजेशन। लेस फ्लेक्सिबल देन कोडिंग। तो कोडिंग से ये थोड़ा कम फ्लेक्सिबल होता है। फ्लेक्सिबल मीन्स द एलिमेंट्स कैन बी स्टाइल्ड इन अ सर्टेन वे, नॉट एवरी वे, राइट? हर एक तरीके से आप अपनी चीज़ों को कस्टमाइज नहीं कर पाएंगे, जैसा कि प्रोग्रामिंग में होता है ऐसा यहाँ पे नहीं हो पाएगा। देयर विल बी लिमिटेशंस। परफॉर्मेंस में वैरी डिपेंडिंग ऑन द ऐप दैट हैज बीन क्रिएटेड यूजिंग ब्लॉक बेस्ड प्रोग्रामिंग। तो वो ऐप मे बी और मे नॉट बी आपकी उस ऐप से जो एक डेवलपर ने कोडिंग के थ्रू से डेवलप की है, इसकी परफॉर्मेंस थोड़ी कम हो सकती है, कम नहीं भी हो सकती, बट इट मे वेरी। कुछ मशीन्स हमारी ऐसी होती है दे नीड वेरी लाइट वेट एप्स। बहुत लाइट वेट एप्स की ज़रूरत पड़ती है कुछ मशीन्स में। जैसे आप अगर पुराने एंड्रॉयड फ़ोन्स की बात करें तो छोटी से छोटी ऐप की ज़रूरत पड़ती थी, बट अगर हम आज की बात करें हमारे पास 400 400 500 1 1 GB की या 500 MB 800 MB की एप्स भी होती है। But these apps will not work in our older phones, right? So performances do vary machine to machine. So let's now build a small simple app using Thunkables or MIT App Inventor. I am going for MIT App Inventor. Give me a second. So here is MIT App Inventor. We are going to create a simple calculator. Let me do just one thing. Before we start, I'm going to show you from the beginning how we can start with this very process. Anyone that has the computer with him, with her, they can start all the way as we are doing this. हमारे साथ साथ में ही कर सकते हैं। So at the end of it all, we will have at least a mobile app with all of us. कितने लोग हैं जिनके पास लैपटॉप है? So we can start over. Yes, yes, please. Yes. So अपने ब्राउजर में जाइए, अपना ब्राउजर ओपन करके सिंपली यहां लिख दीजिए MIT ऐप इन्वेंटर। सो आपकी पहली लिंक, इसका मैं URL भी बता देता हूं, appinventor.mit.edu। ऐप इन्वेंटर डॉट, मैं चैट में डाल देता हूं एक बार सबकी रेफरेंस के लिए। So is this screen visible, I guess?
Yeah, Mosaic.
Okay, thank you. So we have this, I have dropped in the chat. Those who have their laptops with them, working on their laptops, joining with their laptops, please visit the site, click the site that I have dropped in the chat, and that will bring you here. And once you are here, you can click on create apps। साथ साथ करते रहेंगे, सो हमारे पास भी कुछ ना कुछ बनता रहेगा। So let's go for projects. start new project. So name it my first app.
Muzad,
Yes, sir.
you have shared only that presentation window.
It's still visible, the presentation one?
Yeah.
Okay. Let me check. Let me check. Okay now?
Fine now.
Okay. I'm repeating this. This is the URL. This is the website appinventor.mit.edu. Once you hit enter, you will be redirected to this very website, and here you can start all the way to create apps with this create apps option. So give me a thumbs up if it is easy, if it is visible, and if you are understanding. Click on projects here. You can click on projects, you can click on start new project, you can rename your project. आप अपने प्रोजेक्ट का एक नाम रख सकते हैं, जैसे मैं अपने प्रोजेक्ट का नाम रख रहा हूं my first project. इसमें स्पेसेस यूज नहीं कर सकते आप. यू कैन नॉट यूज स्पेसेस आफ्टर लाइक माई फर्स्ट प्रोजेक्ट. आप स्पेस यूज नहीं कर सकते. इस पे ओके पे क्लिक करिए और आपका नया प्रोजेक्ट जो है वो स्टार्ट हो जाएगा. सो मोस्ट ऑफ द टाइम्स आप जैसे एप्लीकेशंस यूज करते हैं, देयर आर सर्टन स्क्रीन्स ऑन योर मोबाइल एप्स. जस्ट लाइक आप अपना व्हाट्सएप ओपन करते हैं, व्हाट्सएप में अलग अलग स्क्रीन्स होती है. चैट्स के लिए अलग स्क्रीन, अपडेट्स के लिए अलग स्क्रीन, कम्युनिटीज के लिए अलग स्क्रीन, कॉल्स के लिए अलग स्क्रीन. तो ये सब चीजें जो है ये आप अलग अलग स्क्रीन पे कर सकते हैं. सो वी हैव स्क्रीन 1, वी कैन ऐड स्क्रीन 2. ओके, so there are two screens here, so we can use whichever screen we want, right? So on the left hand pane, ये वाला जो लेफ्ट हैंड पार्ट है हमारा, इसमें आपकी यूजर इंटरफेस के रिलेटेड सारी चीजें हैं. एंड फॉर each and every user interface there are customizations right here. Likewise, मैं सिंपली बता दूं, एक बटन जो आप यहां लेफ्ट में देख रहे हैं, इसको आप ड्रैग एंड ड्रॉप कर सकते हैं अपनी स्क्रीन में. तो आपका बटन जो है ये ड्रैग एंड ड्रॉप हो गया. टिपिकली आप अगर आपको ऐसे बनाना था तो आपको प्रोग्रामिंग लैंग्वेज की नॉलेज होनी जरूरी थी, बट हेयर यू डू नॉट नीड एनी प्रोग्रामिंग लैंग्वेज. बहुत सिंपल है, बहुत सरल है, आप अपने हिसाब से कर सकते हैं. जैसे कि हमने बटन को यहाँ पे ड्रैग एंड ड्रॉप कर दिया. वंस द बटन इज ड्रैग्ड एंड ड्रॉप्ड, यू कैन कस्टमाइज इट हेयर. यहाँ पे जैसे बैकग्राउंड कलर, वी कैन चेंज इट्स बैकग्राउंड कलर टू ब्लू. ओके, सेव ब्लू. वी कैन मेक द टेक्स्ट बोल्ड. फॉन्ट को हम बोल्ड कर सकते हैं, हम फॉन्ट को इटैलिक्स कर सकते हैं, हम फॉन्ट का साइज चेंज कर सकते हैं, हम इसका जो है कस्टमाइज कर सकते हैं इसके टेक्स्ट को, हम इसका इंटरफेस चेंज कर सकते हैं, हम इसकी हाइट चेंज कर सकते हैं, बढ़ा सकते हैं, बड़ा कर सकते हैं. सो जस्ट लाइक दैट हम ऑटोमेटिक रखते हैं फिलहाल के लिए. So there are certain things that we can do with every other element that's on the left hand pane. So I'll delete this element. So there are checkboxes. I'll go through each and every one of these element so that you can see what element means what. ये चेक बॉक्स होता है, ठीक है, आप चेक बॉक्स देख सकते हैं। ऐसे ही सर्कुलर प्रोग्रेस बार होता है। जैसे आपका कोई ऐसी वेबसाइट होती है दैट कीप्स ऑन लोडिंग, तो उसमें ये सर्कल बार इस्तेमाल होता है। डेट पिकर, हम इससे डेट पिक कर सकते हैं। ऐसे ही इमेज, यू कैन insert an image, you can insert a label, you can insert other things that we see on this pane, ठीक है। इसके बगैर, कस्टमाइजेशंस के बगैर, यूजर इंटरफेस के बगैर, देयर आर सर्टेन अदर थिंग्स जस्ट लाइक लेआउट। मैं एक लेआउट एंटर करने की कोशिश करता हूं। ये लेआउट है आपका, इसको हम लेआउट बनाने की कोशिश करते हैं। ओके, ये सब चीजें जो है ये आप इंसर्ट कर सकते हैं। इसके बाद आता है मीडिया। आप कैमकोडर का यूज कर सकते हैं, आप कैमरा का यूज कर सकते हैं, जस्ट लाइक आप व्हाट्सएप यूज करते हैं। वंस यू ट्राई टू अपडेट स्टेटस, आपका कैमरा खुल जाता है स्टेटस अपडेट कैप्चर करने के लिए। वैसे ही यहाँ पे आप कैमरा इंसर्ट कर सकते हैं। फाइल पिकर होता है, आप गैलरी से फाइल पिक करते हैं, वी यूज अ फाइल पिकर। इमेज पिकर, sound player, sound recorder, speech recognizer, text to speech, translator, video player, and whatnot. Every aspect of a mobile app and the things that should be on a mobile app have been presented here, have been inserted here. You can use anyone if you know how to use one, right? ड्राइंग एंड एनिमेशन, आप एक कैनवस इंसर्ट कर सकते हैं। पहले हम इन सब चीजों को हटा देते हैं, डिलीट कर देते हैं। इनको एक एक करके डिलीट करना पड़ेगा। So let's gear ourselves and try to create an actual mobile app. I'll select a label. I will select a text box. Okay. I'll select and I'll rename this label. इसका हम नाम रख देते हैं नंबर 1। ओके, ऐसे ही हमारे पास टेक्स्ट बॉक्स है, इसका भी हम यहाँ पे टेक्स्ट बॉक्स हमने सेलेक्ट कर दिया। यहाँ पे रीनेम, वी विल कॉल दैट एंटर फर्स्ट नंबर। ओके, सो एंटर फर्स्ट नंबर, यहाँ पे हम अपना पहला नंबर इंसर्ट कर सकते हैं। ऐसे ही हम एक और लेबल ले लेते हैं, इस लेबल का हम नाम रख देते हैं नंबर 2। बिल्कुल ऐसे ही एक और टेक्स्ट बॉक्स ले लेते हैं जहाँ पे दूसरा नंबर आएगा। वी विल रीनेम द टेक्स्ट बॉक्स द सेकंड नंबर। ओके, ये हमारा दूसरा नंबर आएगा। एंड वी विल हैव बटन्स, we'll have buttons for every mathematical operation that we do. 2, 3, 4. So first number, button 1, button 1, button 2, button 3, button 4. We'll rename the first button and call it head, or we'll call it plus mark. Sorry, we cannot name it as such. We can name it as head. We can name it plus right here. Okay, same for the second button. we can call it as subtract. Okay, we'll call it minus right here. Okay, number 2. For number 3, we can rename it. We can call it as plus minus multiply. Okay, we will name it multiply right here. Then the 4th one, we'll rename it as divide. We'll put divide right here. Done. We can put these elements. Sorry, I'm not able to customize the elements. Plus minus. So I can make it a bit good looking. I'll fill the, sorry, for the bid part, I'll fill it. For horizontal, I'll put 3. For vertical, I'll put 2. And for number, this number, I'll put it here. I'll put box here. I have this. Then I'll do the same thing again. Horizontal arrangement again. I will mark it 3 as centered align, vertical align, center 2. And for the width part, I will fill the parent. So I will drop my number here. I will drop the text box here. So both of these things, sorry. So I'll do the thing again so that the thing is right into my screen. Okay. Okay. I will get another label. I will rename it as result. Am I completely audible and is it completely understandable? Please give me a thumbs up if it's going smoothly. I can see some thumbs ups going on. Before we proceed further, we will like to have some questions because I can see there are some hands raised. Naimatun Nisa, there was another hand raised. Yes, please. Can you please, sir, can you please unmute them and have a question session?
Okay. Just a second.
जैसे हम ना ड्रैग कर रहे हैं तो वो राइट में अलाइन नहीं हो पा रहा।
राइट में अलाइन नहीं हो रहा?
मतलब जैसे नाम सपोज हमने पहले टेक्स्ट फील्ड ले लिया, देन वी हैव टेकन द लेबल,
ओके।
तो वो मतलब कि अपनी पोजीशन से ड्रैग नहीं हो पा रहा।
अपनी पोजीशन से ड्रैग नहीं हो रहा या राइट में ड्रैग नहीं हो पा रहा?
राइट में, लेफ्ट में, मतलब जैसे जहां पर है वहीं पे है, एक के नीचे एक आ रहा है। पहले तो रीनेम भी नहीं हो रहा था राइट साइड में, देन आई सौ की वहां पे टेक्स्ट लिखा है तो हमने वहां पे प्लस माइनस में वहां लिख दिया।
ठीक है।
लेकिन अब ये हिल मतलब लाइक अपनी पोजीशन से नहीं हिल पा रहा। तो उसके लिए वो कोई ऑप्शन है कि वो हिल पाए अपनी पोजीशन से?
ऐसे तो जनरली जैसे मैं करता रहा हूँ
जब
ऐसे
आप
तो
कर रहे थे
इसमें,
ना तब भी
जी जी।
उसमें हो रहा था ना कि बार बार वो वापस अपनी पोजीशन में जा रहा था, देन आपने कुछ किया कि वो नीचे ऊपर जाने लग गया।
अच्छा, ये चीजें जैसे
जैसे आपका ये आपने नीचे किया तो नीचे आ गया, लेकिन हमारा नीचे करने पे नीचे नहीं आ रहा, वो वापस वहीं चला जा रहा है।
Ma'am, can you share a screen? Can
यस।
you share a screen? I'll give you the
yes.
access. Just let me moment. Please share your screen. We'll see, and then we'll move.
हेलो
So we
सर,
have
हमारी स्क्रीन पे जो बटन है उसका नेम नहीं
raise,
चेंज हो रहा है।
Well, I'm
raise your
also
hand.
facing
Raise
the
your
same
hand. I'll
problem, sir. I'm
make you the
trying to
co-host. Yeah. So teachers, raise your hand. I'll make you co-host, and you can share your screen. So who is this? The one think I made you a co-host. Can you share your screen? Most of your screen is visible.
Okay, let me stop my
Hmm. Hmm. So the one who want to share, please raise your hand. I'll make you co-host, and then you can share your screen.
so is my screen I'll stop share.
No,
Done.
not done. So teacher, those who want to share the screen,
Yeah,
please
yeah.
do it quickly, and then I think Umang sir, you can share your screen if you want. Monisha, if you want, after that you can. I think Monisha has shared her screen. Swami Vivekanand, yes. So you have not added this horizontal part. If you see, Musab has added one. Uh, so
Yes, there is
that's
a you
missing.
can you
Same
can go
problem is
down you can go
we are
down
facing
this
same
user
problem.
interface.
We are doing this, but it is coming again.
Okay, we got your point, ma'am. Will guide you once Musab share
Same
his screen.
problem
Will
we are
guide you.
facing.
What's the problem? Same problem also. ठीक है. Will guide you. Will guide you why it's not coming. You do one thing. You just okay. I got your point, Musab. You can share your screen. I'll tell you the problem that everyone is facing.
Sure,
So
sure, sure.
so teachers, as you can see on Musab's screen, what you have to do, you have to put the one option. I'll tell you what is it. You have seen that horizontal. See over here in the middle one, middle screen, horizontal arrangement, horizontal
There is
arrangement, and
there is a horizontal arrangement in layout part में है नीचे.
yes. This why this is required. I'll tell you. When you apply layout, na, then you can arrange your buttons anywhere in a
Elements,
two
right?
by two
You can
form.
arrange your elements
Yes,
as you wish.
yes, yes. So this is what you have to follow the same buttons we have Musab has used in his code, horizontal arrangement and vertical arrangement, that you need to add. Then it will be easy for you to adjust the
एंड
buttons.
देयर विल बी लाइक कि जैसे आप जितना ज्यादा इसको यूज करते रहेंगे आपको एलिमेंट्स का उतना ज्यादा पता लगता रहेगा. ऐसा नहीं है कि जस्ट लाइक मैं आपको ऐप बनाना सिखा रहा हूँ, आप ये ऐप बना देंगे और इससे ज्यादा कुछ हो पाएगा नहीं. मे बी ये ऐप अभी काम ना करे, ऐसा भी हो सकता है, या ऐसा भी हो सकता है कि इस ऐप में हम ना सीख पाए. दैट्स ऑब्वियस. लेकिन ये वेबसाइट जो है, जो MIT ऐप इन्वेंटर है या थंकेबल्स है, इसके होने से, इस पे ज्यादा काम करने से आपको चीजों का पता लगता रहेगा. कौन सी चीज कैसे कहाँ आएगी, कौन सी चीज कैसे कहाँ नहीं आनी चाहिए, कहाँ नहीं आएगी, ये सब चीजें आप सीखते रहोगे. सो आई कैन रिपीट दिस फॉर यू. आई कैन रिपीट फ्रॉम दिस हॉरिजॉन्टल वाला पार्ट. देखिए, ये भी मैं डिलीट कर देता हूँ, हॉरिजॉन्टल अरेंजमेंट. ठीक है. जैसे कि मैं पहले और
Excuse me, sir.
जी सर.
My suggestion is why are you deleting these all components? Instead of deleting these all components, you just move the components outside the layout and then place the layout and show this the placement of the components.
Yes,
Because again, you
I
have
can.
to create the button and you have to level
Yes,
it.
I can do
It's
that. I can move them outside
yes,
of
sir.
the screen, but I want to show this over again for your
No problem,
reference.
sir. Okay, sir. Thank you. Thank
Okay,
you, sir.
thank you. So what we will do, we will start from horizontal arrangement first. So we have this horizontal arrangement. आपकी स्क्रीन पे एक बॉक्स आ गया. आप यहाँ जाएंगे विड्थ में, फिल पेरेंट करके. इसका ये मतलब है कि पेरेंट का मतलब होता है ये स्क्रीन. तो विड्थ में जो इसकी विड्थ है, ये बिल्कुल पेरेंट में फिल हो जाएगी। पेरेंट में फिल होने का मतलब है ये बिल्कुल यहां तक फिल हो जाएगी। सो ओके करके ये फिल अप हो गए। इसके बाद ऊपर अलाइन हॉरिजॉन्टल, हॉरिजॉन्टल में इसको हम सेंटर अलाइन कर देंगे, और वर्टिकल अलाइन में भी हम इसको सेंटर अलाइन कर देंगे। तो ये इतना अलाइन हो गया। अब हमारे पास जो बटन्स है वो हम प्लेस करते आएंगे। सो विल प्लेस फर्स्ट बटन। तो इस बटन, जिनका बटन रीनेम नहीं हो रहा था, रीनेम बटन का और इसका नाम रखने का ये अलग चीजें हैं। जैसे यहां बटन, इस पे क्लिक करें बटन पे, यहां रीनेम कर दे, बटन का नाम हम ऐड रख देंगे। ओके। लेकिन ये ऐड यहां पे तो नहीं आएगा, ये हमारे बैक एंड के लिए है। जो हमारा सामने नाम आएगा, इट विल बी हेयर टेक्स्ट, टेक्स्ट फॉर बटन वन, इसका नाम हम यहाँ पे प्लस रख देंगे। ओके डन। जिनका ये इशू आ रहा था वो हो गया, सॉर्ट हो गया। तो इसके बाद अब ये फिल, क्योंकि हमने इसका अलाइनमेंट रखा है सेंटर, देखिए अलाइनमेंट लेफ्ट, ये इसके टेक्स्ट का अलाइनमेंट है, सेंटर अलाइनमेंट है। सो ये हमारा अलाइन हो गया कंप्लीट। इसके बाद मैं यहां से एक और बटन लेके आऊंगा, या ऐसा भी हम कर सकते हैं, मैं आपको दिखा देता हूँ। देयर इज अ डुप्लीकेसी पार्ट अवेलेबल हेयर ना, यहाँ पे तो नहीं है अवेलेबल। तो बटन को हम रिपीट कर देंगे। बटन नंबर 2, इस बटन का नाम रख देंगे हम सब्ट्रैक्ट। ओके। यहाँ पे टेक्स्ट बटन का रख देते हैं माइनस, माइनस हो गया। ऐसे ही दो बटन और डाल देते हैं, इसका नाम रख देते हैं हम मल्टीप्लाई। यहाँ इसका टेक्स्ट रख देते हैं मल्टीप्लाई। ऐसे ही एक और बटन जो हमारा फोर्थ होगा, उसका नाम रख देते हैं डिवाइड। ओके। सो यहाँ पे इसका नाम रख देते हैं ऐसे। ओके। इनका हम थोड़ा फॉन्ट चेंज कर देंगे, 24 कर देंगे, थोड़ा बड़ा हो जाएगा, सो दैट इट कैन लुक अ बिट गुड। 24, 24। If this is fine, we can move on. Or there I can see some hands raised. Swati ma'am, Chandan sir. Yes, please, you can ask. So I can see there is. So we'll take some questions right after we have finished creating this front end, right? So we will move on for a label where we will store, sorry, we have stored the results here. Can move this out. So I renamed it as result. Okay. So हमारा फ्रंट एंड जो है ये अभी तक रेडी है, अभी तक इसमें कुछ ज्यादा इश्यूज है नहीं। We have number 1 where we'll put our number here, number 2 we'll put our number here, number, and these are the basic 4 operations: plus, minus, multiply and divide, and we have our results will be shown here. So what we will do, we had two things where we were working. The first part was designer part, जिसका मैंने कहा था कि ये आपका फ्रंट एंड रहेगा, ये वो वाला पार्ट है जो यूजर देखता है। लेकिन बैक एंड में क्या होता है वो यूजर को पता नहीं होता। वी विल put that into blocks part. So what we will do is we will go to label first and we will go to math. Sorry, label first. Label one dot. We will drag this element here. Label one, label two and result. Label one जो है इसमें हम इसके बाद नंबर फर्स्ट पे जाएंगे, मैथ पे क्लिक करेंगे क्योंकि हम प्लस करने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं। वी विल गेट दिस प्लस वाला पार्ट। ओके, देन व्हाट वी विल डू, वी विल go to add part, set add. So, give me a second. Projects, calculator वाला project. Yes, this is the same thing we have created. यहाँ पे मैंने ज्यादा एलिमेंट्स ना यूज करके दो ही ऑपरेशंस रखे हैं। I'll show you the blocks because I have created this some time ago. तो मैं आपको दिखा देता हूँ। When add dot click, ये आपका यहां से आएगा। When add dot click do, ओके, ये आप लेके आएंगे। इसके बाद ये लेके आएंगे, ये आपका लेबल से मिलेगा set result dot text, set label dot text, ये वाला पार्ट ये आप यहां डाल देंगे। इसके बाद आपका ये नंबर पे क्लिक करेंगे, ऊपर मैथ पे जाएंगे, ये प्लस वाला पार्ट इसमें लेके आएंगे और ये वाला पार्ट जो है num डॉट टेक्स्ट, ये आपका रिजल्ट से आएगा। ये रिजल्ट डॉट टेक्स्ट इसमें डाल देंगे। यहाँ रिजल्ट ना करके, हाँ सॉरी, इसको यहाँ डाल देंगे, इसको यहाँ से डुप्लीकेट कर देंगे, इसमें डाल देंगे। तो इसका मतलब ये है कि num1 और num2 जो आएंगे उनका क्या करना है, एडिशन करना है। इसको मैं यहाँ से डिलीट कर देता हूँ। ओके, ऐसा ही पार्ट आएगा, यहाँ पे क्लिक राइट क्लिक करके डुप्लीकेट कर देंगे और यहाँ पे ऐड की जगह हम सब्ट्रैक्ट पे क्लिक करेंगे। लेबल वन बिल्कुल ऐसा रहेगा, टेक्स्ट ऐसा रहेगा, लेकिन प्लस की जगह हमारा जो है ये माइनस आएगा। सब्ट्रैक्ट पे क्लिक करेंगे, मैथ पे क्लिक करेंगे और माइनस वाला पार्ट आ जाएगा। ये दोनों चीजें ऊपर वाले पार्ट से उठा के इसमें डाल देंगे। तो लॉजिकली हमारी जो दो चीजें हैं, ये एक तो ऐड वाला पार्ट और दूसरा सब्ट्रैक्ट वाला पार्ट, हमारा पार्ट हो गया। सो वापस डिजाइनर पे जाएंगे। हमारी जो ऐप है वो ऑलमोस्ट कंप्लीशन के लिए रेडी है। तो आई स्टॉप माय स्क्रीन फॉर अ सेकंड and to I would like you to unmute for a minute, please. सर अनम्यूट करा दीजिए टीचर्स का।
Yes, yes, yes. Just a second.
तो कोडिंग का एक बार दोबारा से रिव्यू
जी
करवा
जी
दो।
जी मैं बता देता हूँ जी।
आर्ट वाली मैडम नहीं है यार।
बिफोर वी कैन गो टू दैट पार्ट, आप मुझे बता सकते हैं कि जैसे हम फोन यूज करते हैं, मोस्ट ऑफ अस, ऑल ऑफ अस वी यूज फोन्स। क्या आपको पता है कि एक इमेज, जैसे मैं आपको व्हाट्सएप पे एक इमेज सेंड कर देता हूँ, ये इमेज आपकी गैलरी में खुद ब खुद कैसे चली जाती है?
सर नहीं, जो अभी आपने ब्लॉग से करवाया ना, वो रिपीट करा दो।
जी 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 मैं, हाँ मैं उसी पार्ट पे आ रहा हूँ, मैं उसी पार्ट पे आ रहा हूँ। सो आई एम जस्ट आस्किंग कि आपके पास, जी जी सर, अंजीव सर आपकी आवाज नहीं है। सो
Sir,
आई,
2021 it will be automatically downloaded, sir.
तो सेटिंग्स
It will go
ऑलरेडी
in gallery.
क्रिएट होता है।
बिल्कुल आप कह रहे हैं कि सेटिंग्स ऑलरेडी ऐसे क्रिएट करी होती है कि आपकी जो पिक्चर है वो खुद ब खुद गैलरी।
Musab, you also muted.
सॉरी अंजीर सर, आप बोल रहे हैं लेकिन आप म्यूट पे। गूगल जी सर को म्यूट अनम्यूट कर दीजिए।
जैसे
क्या Musab?
मैं ये कहना चाह रहा था कि
ये
व्हाट्सएप की सेटिंग्स होती है, उसको परमिशन होता है कि कोई भी फाइल डाउनलोड होगा तो गैलरी में सेव हो जाएगा।
ओके, कोई भी फाइल डाउनलोड होगा तो
मतलब
गैलरी में
इमेज की
सेव।
फाइल, इमेज की बात हो रही थी।
एग्जैक्टली एग्जैक्टली व्हाट आई एम एक्चुअली ट्राइंग टू से इज, जी हर्षिता मैम आप बताइए।
सर सर वो मीडिया विजिबिलिटी में रहता है सर ऑप्शन
ओके
व्हाट्सएप पे। तो
ओके
जो सपोज ग्रुप में है वो पूरे गैलरी में ऑटोमेटिकली ट्रांसफर हो जाते हैं।
ओके, इट्स नॉट जस्ट अबाउट, मैं बस इमेज की ही बात नहीं कर रहा। आप मान लीजिए मैं आपको कॉन्टैक्ट सेंड कर देता हूँ, वो आपकी कॉन्टैक्ट्स ऐप में आ जाता है खुद ब खुद, कैसे? फैसल सर आप बताइए।
और उसकी कोडिंग रहती है सर, जो
सर
सेट
एक्चुअली
करते हैं, जैसे
कोडिंग में
आपने
ये होता है कि इसका पासवर्ड दिया जाए।
जी
हाँ
एम आई ऑडिबल?
कोडिंग होती है सर
तो सर
कोडिंग, है ना? जैसे आपने अभी
कोडिंग में
कोडिंग किया
इसकी
कि
पासवर्ड दी जाती है।
2 - 4 करेंगे तो क्या आएगा, 4 - 2 करेंगे तो उसका आंसर क्या आएगा, रिजल्ट में जाता है। वैसे ही हर चीज़ की कोडिंग होती है। कॉन्टेक्ट की कोडिंग कॉन्टेक्ट में जाएगी, पिक्चर की कोडिंग पिक्चर में जाएगी। मतलब उसको रिजल्ट के थ्रू दिया रहता है कि आप वहां पे ही उस डाटा को सेव कर सकते हैं।
सो
तो
मैं
ऑलरेडी
बिल्कुल 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 जो आप कह रहे हैं बिल्कुल सही है। मैं क्या कहने की कोशिश कर रहा हूँ, जैसे मान लीजिए आपकी क्लास में 10 बच्चे हैं और 3 बच्चों का नाम अमित है फॉर एग्जाम्पल करके। तो जैसे आप अमित नाम से बुलाएंगे तो तीनों के तीनों बच्चे खड़े हो जाएंगे, है कि नहीं? बिल्कुल सही है।
जी सर।
लेकिन उनके लिए एक यूनिक आइडेंटिफायर होना जरूरी है कि जिसका नाम बुलाया जाए वही खड़ा हो। तो वो यूनिक आइडेंटिफायर जनरली हमारे पास क्या होता है? रोल नंबर।
रोल नंबर।
रोल नंबर हो गया,
सर
या फिर
एड्रेस।
कोडिंग में तो
सरनेम हो
सर्च
गया,
लगा
सर
के हम कर
टाइटल।
सकते
देयर
हैं।
रोल नंबर ही होता है जनरली, रोल नंबर होता है, एडमिशन नंबर होता है, ऐसा कुछ होता है। वी कैनॉट से कि हमारा एड्रेस जो है वो यूनिक आइडेंटिफायर है। देयर कैन बी टू अमित बाय द सेम नेम लिविंग इन द सेम एरिया, राइट?
यस सर।
एड पाथ फॉर
सर
कोडिंग।
एड्रेस।
Address
एड्रेस डिफरेंस,
address generally
फादर्स नेम
isn't
डिफरेंस।
considered as a unique identifier. What I am actually trying to say, ये बात तो ठीक है, आपकी बातें बिल्कुल ठीक है। सो मैं क्या कहने की कोशिश कर रहा हूँ? यस
I'll mute first.
Add paths.
Musab.
यस यस
Path.
यस।
There are a lot of background noise actually is coming. Those who want to connect with Musab, please use chat box. I think this is the
श्योर
one
श्योर
way
श्योर।
because there are a lot of
Sure,
voice and noise is coming at the background. I think this will becoming a chore. So
sure,
Musab, we have next session also after some time. So yes, so
sure.
teachers, I will take your doubts once it's completed, and we will share more recordings on my MIT App Inventor. So we have a lot of recordings that we'll share in the on the with you. So yes, yes. So
Sure.
yeah.
So let me wind this up very quickly. So इसमें क्या होता है कि हमारे पास जो कोई भी चीज होती है फोन में, एवरीथिंग इज इन द फॉर्म ऑफ फाइल्स। हर एक चीज, आपकी छोटी से छोटी चीज हो, बड़ी से बड़ी चीज हो, इट इज इन द फॉर्म ऑफ फाइल्स। सारी की सारी चीज फाइल्स होती है, बिकॉज एट द बैक एंड ऑफ इट वी कॉल दैट अ फाइल सिस्टम। एक कोई भी कंप्यूटर हो हमारे पास, फोन हो, कोई भी लैपटॉप हो, वट एवर इट बी, इट हैज अ फाइल सिस्टम। सब चीजें जो है, तो इसकी जो फाइल्स होती है, एंड एवरी फाइल हैज अ नेम, राइट? सो फॉर दैट, every file name should be appended with something that has its unique identifier. Just like an image you see in your mobile phone, you see in your laptop, it has a unique identifier by the name of .jpeg। होता है, बिल्कुल होता है। ऐसे ही अब अगर अगर आपके पास एक वीडियो होता है, वीडियो की फाइल होती है, दैट हैज ए नेम .mp4, यू सी। देर आर अदर थिंग्स लाइक आपका डॉक्यूमेंट होता है, दैट हैज .pdf अपेंडेड टू इट, राइट? So every file has something appended to it, so that it can become a unique identifier। जैसा कि सर बोल रहे थे, जैसा कि कुछ टीचर्स बोले कि there is coded instructions for everything। Yes, there are coded instructions, but the coded instructions go like this: if you see a file by the name appended as jpeg, put it into gallery, right? If yes, Mahmood sir said file name extensions. Quite right. We call them file name extensions. .jpeg, it is for images. .pdf, it's for portable document format. For DOC, it's for documents. For MP4, it's for video files and all that. So for files that are in the form of, I would say, uh, these mobile apps, Android mobile apps. These Android mobile apps generally have a format, we call that APK। एपीके फॉर्मेट होता है। जहां कहीं पे भी आप एक मोबाइल ऐप को देखते हैं, उसका फॉर्मेट जो होता है, मान लीजिए व्हाट्सएप.एपीके, आप अगर थर्ड पार्टी से या किसी वेब ब्राउजर से डाउनलोड करने की कोशिश करें, यू विल सी देयर विल बी ए नेम जस्ट लाइक व्हाट्सएप 2025 व्हाट्सएप डॉट apk। it will be in the form of apk। that's what I am trying to show you here। give me a second। here it is। once our app is ready, once our app is ready to be published, what we can do is we can connect for an AI companion। there is an issue with my laptop, my AI companion does not work। you can directly go for build android app.apk। once you click this option, this is the progress bar of your application being developed in the backend। it will take some time, it will take a minute or so। once that part is finished, you will see it will start to download। there will be a QR code where you can download your application from your phone। there will be a download option too। you can click on this download option and you will see your application being downloaded, calculator.apk। your application is of 3.6 MB storage and the name is calculator.apk। you can directly send this to your phone and you can install it in your phone। if this is something that is not much difficult, please give me a thumbs up। And for the logic part, I'll send you, Neeraj sir will send you videos where you can easily understand, because of the lack of time we have, you can easily understand whichever app you want to create, and every other user interface part that is on the left hand pane that you will be able to understand and use on your mobile app development. So that is all from my part. I will hand it over to Neeraj sir for further proceedings. Thank you very much. Thank you guys. Thank you teachers. Thank you everyone. Neeraj sir, you are on mute.
Thank you, Musab, for the session on mobile app development. I think the teachers, those who are new, understand something, learn something new. Great. So, teachers, we will share the recordings with you. Meanwhile, we will share some more videos on mobile app development. Actually, we have some more projects that we have recorded. So, I'll share the recordings, even the video links that I'm sharing over there. You explore. There are a lot of videos on different topics, not only mobile app development, but there are different topics I have covered in our past teachers training. So if you want to explore more, you can watch those videos. And so after the session, we will be sharing all these videos with you. Yeah. So this is I know it's 10 minutes more. We have missed our break, and I saw one emoji from Naveen sir of a tea. So definitely we have one quick break, but will not take much time. We'll take hardly 5 minutes because we have a lot of content that we need to cover, and there's a shortage of time. I think the 3 hours is also like seems that is बहुत कम है, very less seems now. So we'll take quick 5 minute ka break, and we'll be coming back with our one more session, that is AR and VR, augmented reality versus virtual reality. And these actually, this is a current topic, that's an emerging topic that I think we have hardly heard. So ये AR VR जो आपने बहुत सुना होगा या आपने देखा होगा, मॉल्स में जाते हैं, वहां पे कुछ कैमरा सा लगा के आप एक दूसरी दुनिया को देख रहे हैं। तो वो प्रोजेक्ट्स कैसे बना सकते हैं बच्चे, या आप उसको, आज हम लाइव डेमो करके देखेंगे और आप उसको कैसे यूज कर सकते हैं। ठीक है। सो ये एक रियल एक एक्सपीरियंस है, एक रियल एक्सपीरियंस है। एक ऐसी, नॉर्मली हम वीडियोस देखते हैं, जैसे आप स्क्रीन पे मेरी पिक्चर वीडियो देख रहे हैं, दैट इज द फर्स्ट थिंग। बट AR VR क्या है, जैसे ऐसा लगता है कि आप उस चीज को लाइव अपने सामने अपने आसपास में देख रहे हो। ठीक है, दैट इज अ न्यू थिंग। तो जिसके बाद, सो दैट वी हैव वन आर colleague, Mr. Amarnath. He is a regional mentor of change in Niti Aayog, and he is from Tamil Nadu, Chennai, who is going to lead this session after this break. I request, let's have a break, and then yeah. So we'll start at 12:45. Yeah, thank you so much, teachers. Meanwhile, Gokul, I request you to share the attendance link, the feedback form, and the teachers,
Yeah.
those who have joined right now, and also teachers, those who are still with us. I think a lot of teachers are sharing Facebook links with me. And still, those who have not shared, you can click your pictures, what the content photos, what actually we are sharing on screen. आप उसका क्लिक एक अच्छा सा पोस्ट बना सकते हो about this. And you, if you want, sometimes what happens, we have the photos but we do not know what to write. So we have shared some context like about this teachers training, which is organized by and who is supporting. Then it's a 6 days training of 20 hours. What are the content we are covering? So this is by using chat gpt आप इस तरह का खुद का content बना के you can post. So why I'm just sharing, because we have government schools teachers, we have private school teachers, we have teachers from different states, those who have joined, but some of the teachers are not actively active on Facebook, right? So this is how I think last I've shared some posts. So definitely in the future, in the coming days, I'll share some good posts. So you just update your photos, what we are doing, mention over there, tag, not a hashtag, but tag them, so that, right? So yeah, even I'll guide you, some of the teachers, those who have shared with me the post, I'll guide you how. If you need any support in making a post, you definitely reach out to me. You can text me. I'll be there over the WhatsApp, so I'll guide you how to make a post, and so this will help you in future. Yeah, so this is the one. Secondary, some teachers have shared some feedbacks on WhatsApp or calls, so definitely I would appreciate if it will be on a paper, then will help me to document it. Yeah, because WhatsApp is something we can't document, but definitely if it's on paper, or paper means the school's letterhead or something, then definitely it will be great for us to that we will document it. तो टीचर्स, मैं वही बता रहा था, फेसबुक के जो लिंक्स आप पोस्ट करते हैं उसमें जरूर आप अपने जो ट्रेनिंग चल रही है उसके बारे में अच्छे से अगर मेंशन कीजिए। नॉट ओनली दिस, अगर के फ्यूचर में भी अगर आपका कोई एटीएल से रिलेटेड कोई एक्टिविटी है तो उसके बारे में आप विस्तार में लिखिए कि ये ट्रेनिंग क्या है, कब हुई, किसके द्वारा दी गई, और इस ट्रेनिंग का एजेंडा क्या था, इसमें हमने क्या क्या सीखा, और कुछ अच्छी अच्छी फोटोज। और उसमें आप उसको पोस्ट करने से पहले आप उन पेजेस को लाइक कर सकते हैं, गवर्नमेंट ऑफिशियल के पेजेस को। जैसे आप अगर केंद्रीय विद्यालय से हैं, जुड़े हैं, तो आप केंद्रीय विद्यालय के जो आरओ है उनका पेज लाइक कर सकते हैं, संगठन का पेज लाइक कर सकते हैं, या आप अटल इनोवेशन मिशन नीति आयोग का पेज लाइक कर सकते हैं, डेल टेक्नोलॉजीज का, लर्निंग फाउंडेशन का पेज लाइक करके, आप लाइक करने के बाद जब आप अपना पोस्ट करेंगे तो उनको टैग कर सकते हैं, @ करके जब उनका नाम लिखेंगे तो उनके फेसबुक का पेज लिंक आता है, उसको आप सिलेक्ट कर लीजिए। जिससे क्या होगा, आप जब भी पोस्ट करेंगे उनके पास आपके स्कूल की इंफॉर्मेशन जाती रहेंगी, राइट? तो दिस इज द वे। एंड डेफिनेटली मेरे पास काफी सारे लिंक्स पोस्ट आए हैं पर्सनल विंडो पे। मैं अच्छे अच्छे पोस्ट को हर रोज मैं ग्रुप्स में शेयर करूंगा बाकी टीचर्स के साथ भी। या सो 12:46 हो गए हैं, एंड इट्स टाइम टू have our next session, that is the emerging technology by Amarnath, the regional mentor of change. So hi Amar, can you hear me?
Yes, Neeraj. Can you hear me?
Yes, loud and clear. Thank you, Amar, for being with us, taking your time for the teacher. So Amar, we have right now 430 teachers who was there, and still I think some of the teachers are on break. So they are joining back, and we need to have this session. And just for information, Amar, we have the last this call will be over at 2 p.m. So I hope we will cover all these topics with them. I have shared the prerequisite that you shared with me with the teachers with the application, and you just guide them how you show this application, how you move this window to laptop to IP address something, so they can try at the end. And so the teachers, basically Amarnath is from Chennai, so he is more comfortable in English, and Hindi is not able. So he will be convey all the things in. Yeah, if you need something help, our team members are there. Musab will be there, who will help you, guide you. And if you have any query, you can write in the chat box. He or Gokul Sai is also with us, who is also from Tamil Nadu. He will be helping you in the local language or in English, right? So yeah, so Amar will take doubts and other things at the end of the session. So thank you, Amar, for your lovely intro and your photo. I think great. So he's an assistant manager in Learning Foundation, and he's also regional mentor of Change Tamil Nadu of our Innovation Mission. So I think it's good time to start, right? But we just need a thumbs up. Just need a thumbs up for this next session so that we'll start. So 12:50 will start. I think teachers are still joining. I'll drop a reminder message to everyone. Then 12:50 will join. Yeah.
Sure.
Thank you, Amar.
Yeah, thank you, Raj.
So, Amarnath, I think we can start this session.
Yes. Yeah.
Yes,
Thank you, Neeraj. And good afternoon, teachers. And I would like to start with a good thumbs up with your end. So could you please give me a small thumbs up so that I can start with the good enthusiasm. Yes. Thank you. So, so that I'll clear your doubts at the last. So I'll start with my introduction. So good afternoon, everyone. This is Amarnath from Learning Link Foundation. Also, I'm a regional mentor of change, Tamil Nadu. So here I am going to explain you about AR and VR. So I hope you all are heard AR and VR. Am I audible, Neeraj?
Yes, you're clear,
Yeah,
audible,
thank you.
and
Yeah. Thank you, Neeraj. So, so I hope you all are aware of AR and VR. So, first we'll talk about augmented reality, AR. So, AR means, say, to in a simple form, if you open a camera, you can see any like imaginary object on your screen where it's not available in your real world. Say, most of you like used your Snapchat. In that, some noses and specs and all will come. That wig will change. So that and all will come under AR, augmented reality. So the uses of AR is nowadays it's enormous. It's coming in all the fields. Say you can see here. So the Lenscart application, Lenscart company introduced AR based specs sampling system. So if you download an app, or it's available in the web based app. So when you open that website or the application, it will scan your face and it will suggest some uh, spectacles suitable for your face. So you can change the frame and everything. You can order from there. So it's a good marketing strategy. So it is used in like a marketing field. Also, you can use some if you want to purchase some watches. So you can see the samples and you can purchase, like how you are using the same eyewear. The same way you can see the in VR. You can see how it's suitable for your hand. The same way the jewelry. The same way you can download that app from the particular vendor so that you can check your that jewelries are suitable in your hand or not. So these are the applications of AR. And now this AR, it's used in like industries also. Say where the fault is there. So if that mechanic you want to understand, so he can open that mechanical particular mobile app. He can find out where the exact problem is, and he can exactly check, or he can exactly remove that particular part and he can replace. That will guide. So nowadays all the big mechanical items like flight engines or big ships are coming with the AR technology, so that the mechanicals or who are the engineers present over there, they can check and they can repair the parts. So these are the AR. These are the applications. So these ARs are used in many industries like mechanical and construction industry. Not only these are the it's not an end. So nowadays they are planning to use in every industries. That's what AR is very important. Now we'll come to VR, virtual reality. So virtual reality is bit different. When we are comparing with the AR, so AR is we can see only one imaginary part. But in VR, we are going to see the entire world is imaginary. Say you have to wear a personalized device like VR headset. I hope many of you saw this VR headset wearing, and some people are playing the games, right? So this is the personalized device. Only you can see. Others can't see. Others can't experience. Other can see, but other can't experience the thing what you are seeing. So this is the virtual reality, and the applications of VR is, again, it's a big like a big list. Just I listed some of the things. So first is like entertainment industry. So I hope you all are played some games, virtual reality games, and you can see virtual reality movies are available in the YouTube. Even you can download VR videos, and VR nowadays people are taking, and we are in training and simulations. So say if you want to train, if you want to learn driving, so nowadays VR simulations are coming. So you have to wear a VR, and the same simulation setup will be there. Without hitting, without taking the car, you can train. And medical fields. So in aviation also, you can see nowadays the pilots need to complete some of the VR training, VR simulations. Say 100-hour VR simulation, if they completed, then only they can able to operate the real flight. Otherwise, they can't even touch. So this is the scenario. And then medical field. So in medical field nowadays, like the surgeons training as well as the operations are going on using this VR. So the surgeon will be available in USA. He is a famous heart surgeon. He will be sitting in the US, and he will be operating the remote operated hand. That the patient will be there in India or Pakistan or wherever he is, and the robotic arm will do the operations. Along with that, the another surgeons, they will be there in present. So they will help, and he also will do the surgery. So in this way, VR is useful in medical field also. So these are the various VR headset available in the market. Say we will take example of so this one. So this is a Apple Vision Pro. So this Apple Vision Pro is like say I think so 2 to 3 lakh will come. So this is the mixed reality. So it's done by Apple people, and this is the Oculus Meta Quest 3. This is it's from Facebook and Meta brand, and this is the next version. This is Oculus Meta Quest 2. So this Meta Quest 3 is 40,000 rupees, and the Meta Quest 2 is say 35,000 rupees will be there. And this is a normal VR box. It's locally available in the market. The cost will around say 3 to 5,000 rupees. But in this, the thing is, you have to keep your mobile inside this VR box. The below three things, it will be come inbuilt display and inbuilt speaker and everything, and all the things will be optimized accordingly. But here it is not like that. You have to keep your mobile phone inside this. So, but these all are very costly. So, how we can experience or how we can try that VR? So, for that, I brought a like you can make your own VR box. The name is called Google Cardboard. Many of you may aware of this Google Cardboard. It's nothing but using a simple materials, cardboard, rubber band, Velcro, and glues. And the main part you may have to purchase from the market is the lens. This is the lens you have to purchase from the market. Nothing else is required. The lens cost will come around 150 rupees to 200 rupees. So this is the one thing. If you want, you can make this. I'll guide you how to make this Google Cardboard. So let me stop share my screen. So this is the document what I have made. So if you want to make a Google Cardboard, you may have to purchase this Google like 45 focal length lens. So this is available in major e-commerce websites. It is not mandatory to do that. If you want, you can do this. The step-by-step instructions are given here. So what you have to do is, this is the template. This is the template. You have to download this template and you have to print and you have to paste it in the cardboard, and you have to cut it and stick it and paste it so that you can make your own Google Cardboard. So this is the template you have to download. Say
Amar,
yes, yes,
yeah,
Google.
we are seeing only the presentation screen.
Sorry. Let me share my entire screen. Now, can you see my screen?
Yes,
yes,
Amar.
yes.
This is the Google Cardboard version 2.0. This is the template. It's available in the Google also. You can search Google Cardboard version 2.0 template PDF in the Google. You will get the same document. I also will share this document along for you people so that you can download. So the steps is like very simple. You have to download this and you have to see the instruction also is given. Like you have to print and stick it in the cardboard and you have to cut it. The cutting thing is the dark lines you have to cut, the dotted lines you have to fold, and this one line you have to put a glue and stick it in the another one. So also I just wanted to show you a small document how I made it. So this is the document what I made. So in this all the things are given. So I'll share this document with you people. So the process, step by step process, it's available. So you can see this and you can understand how it is made. So in this way you have to cut it and print it and cut everything, and you can make your own Google Cardboard box. So what I'll do, I'll share this document in the chat box. So is it possible to share the document, right, Neeraj?
Amar, we will share this
Yes.
later on because
Yes.
right now we have to work with software. This is
Okay.
a end part, right?
Okay.
You just shared with me. We'll at the end of session we'll share the link. Let's
Sure.
begin with the programming part.
Yes, sure.
Yes, thank you.
So now we know we can able to do our own Google VR box, Google Cardboard. So with this, how we can make our own VR or virtual reality or augmented reality samples. So for that, I am here to introduce one. Let me share my screen. So the Delight Text is the website I'm here to introduce. So this is the website where you can do your own AR and VR content. So this DelightX edu. So when you open delightx.com, so you can see the two things. One is for get edu and get Nova. So we are going to use edu education purpose software. So just click get edu so that you can open that VR or AR platform. You can make your own VR AR platforms here, and you have to click login first. So this is the education based software. Here also, like, no need of programming. Two things will be there. One is like front end and back end, like the creation and the programmings will be there. So students can learn STEM concept using this platform. So first you have to first you have to click is login. When you click, when you log in, it will ask for your Google account. So if you choose your Google account, it will send one verification code, and you have to click the verify option. So the thing is, for my case, it's already I logged in. So it will directly open the dashboard. So just for Google authentication. So for you people, if you open this login, first it will send a one verification mail. You have to click or you have to verify your mail. Then you can open this dashboard. So in this dashboard, you can see all the things. First your profile. Here your profile will be there. So when you as you people are teacher, when you sign in, it will ask you for the teacher or Google student account. So I'll do one thing. I'll sign out and I'll create a new account. That will help us. So I'll click again, once again, sign up. When I click sign up, it is asking for a student or teacher. As we people are teachers, so click teacher account, and then it will give for the some terms and conditions. You have to scroll down. So please read out and click agree. And then it will ask for the Google account. So if you have Google account, you can go for that Google account. Otherwise, you can Microsoft account. So most of us have a Google account or Gmail account. So I'll click with Google. I'll use one of my Google account. So parallelly, we have to download the this Delight Text application in our mobile phone also to experience the AR and VR. So if you want to see that in a really working condition, then we may have to use this application in our phone. The laptop, we are going to only create the platforms or the environment. So I have that account. I'll tell you this how to download this later. And now, here they are giving 30 days free trial. 30 days free trial. You can activate whenever you want. So here, so I'll go for this free trial for 45 days. Sorry, it's a 45 days. So I'll go for 45 days free trial. I'll activate now. Now I can use this features like fully. There is no restrictions. After 45 days, some restrictions will be there. Or if you are not opted for the trial version, there will be some restrictions. Some of the tools or some of the things you can't able to use. Now the for 45 days you can use this software for full version. So okay, so we'll start with the project. Here you can see the gallery. So first thing is gallery. When you open the gallery, you can see all other like VR platforms. Like many communities are there who can create this VR platforms. You can see all the content created by the community peoples. So if you open and check any one, so we'll see this one. So when I open this, it will load something. So it will load one asset, one by one asset, it will load, then it will come on your screen. So here is the Dust Creek is the topic they have given. So when I click play, so you can see this is the environment they have made. This is the environment. You can walk and you can go everywhere and you can move. You can see all the directions. It's an environment. It's not like a video. It's a environment they have made. So like this, we are going to make now. We will make a simple version of this, not exactly this, as we have a less time. So we'll make one by one slowly. We'll start with next thing, classes. So what you can do is the teachers, you can create a class and you can enroll students and you can assign assignments to the students and they can submit and you can validate here that all the process you can do. That we will learn afterwards. First, we will start with the project. What project we can create, like how we can create our project, that we will see first. So if you click project, you can see create a project, create a folder. I'll create a project as this is the like a pro version, trial period, 45 days. We can create n number of project. We can create a n number of project. What I'll do, I'll click create project. So here there are n number of options will be there. First, the environment. The environment is like empty environment will be there, or house environment will be there, like or roller coaster environment will be there, or any other environment if you want, you can choose. What I'm going to choose here is a simple project or empty project. See, if you click this empty project, you can see a empty environment will open. Heath Oswald, do you have any doubts, sir?
Sir, yes, sir. Hello.
Yes, sir, please.
Sir, after 45 days, can we continue for
Yes,
the
yes.
student?
After 45 days, you can continue, but the pro version, if you created any project, you can see, but after you can't create a not more than two project. You can create, but if you want to create a second project, you may have to delete any one project, then you can create. Also, in that library or environment, there was some limitations will be there. Some of the options you can't able to use.
Fine.
After that also you can use it. You can see your full-fledged everything you can see, sir.
Only thing is, we can keep two projects at a time.
Yes, yes. Like the pro version, what you have made, that will be there intact. That there will be no changes. After the 45 days trial period over, you can create only two project after that. That means if you want to add a project 51 or 52 after the trial period, you can do 51 and 52. If you want to make 53, then you can't able to do. You have to delete any 51. Then only you can go for another thing.
Okay. Yes, sir. I understand. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. So the doubt session I'll clear later. Now we'll start with the environment. Now you can see this is the empty environment. Now in center you can see the camera. The camera angle is our angle where we are standing, that angle. So what you can do, you can move this camera front back and you can rotate that camera everywhere, or you can tilt that camera, or you can change the viewing angle. Everything you can change by clicking this thing, and rotation. So if you change this, and you can see the camera angle in a different way. So I'll keep it in a same way. And next you have a home button. When you click home button, it will take you to the home, and undo, redo options are available, and you can go for like coding is available here, and play button is here. You can seek for help, and you can share your project to another persons by clicking this link. So it will share as a link form. If you want to share me, you can share with your other teachers or colleague teachers. With this link you can share. And next, downside, you can see some of the things called library, upload, and environment. So we'll see these three one by one. First, here you can see this is the environment. When you click this environment, see here you can see the environment edit option is available. Already we choose to for empty environment, and here we can change the environment by clicking this edit button, and you can see some of the environment option is available. What environment we want, we can choose our own environment, or else with the empty environment we can create our own. Say here I'll use this like mountain kind of environment I'll use, so that see here that mountain kind of environment came here. So once again, I'll click edit. I can choose whatever the environment I want. I'll change this. If I want that on top of the sea means, if I click this, I can see the sea environment. And if I want to change any other thing, like this is the like moon surface environment. Like this, change our own environment, and you can edit. Any one I'll choose this mountain one. Next, we have to go to like we have to keep it in a straight position, and next we can change the effect. Now there is no effect is here. You can change the effect like drizzling or smooth foggy conditions and all you can make. So this is a like rainy and also you can make. So this is the rainy season, rainy effect you can make, and night and morning. These things you can change the colors. So I'll keep morning, or okay, I'll keep it morning only. So or if it none. So these are the like filters, like morning and night filters, and also you can like include a background sound and a floor image. If it is raining, right? So background sound is going on here. So if you want to add a background sound, I can download a rain sound. So rain sound I can freely download from the Google, and it's downloaded to my computer. So what I'll do, I'll go for background sound, click this background sound, and it will ask for upload. So this is the rain sound. Click OK, click open. Then after loading of this one, when I play, you can hear that rainy sound as well as the raining and everything. So now it is uploaded. We will see this play. When I can click play, you can see this full. So it will load the asset and all the necessary softwares. Now you can see the rain is raining, and you can walk. If you click your computer front button, you can walk around here anywhere. You can go left, right, back. You can jump it, and you can all the things you can do in this. So once again I'll back to the edit mode. This is play mode. In this play mode only we can preview this, but in edit mode we can do the edit all the edits. So yes, we have some people raise the hand. Yes, sir. Asif.
Good evening, sir.
Yes, sir.
Sir, I was a doubt which was clear.
Sir?
Thank you, sir.
Yes, sir. Thank you.
Thank you.
So I hope this environment part is clear. Now I'll go to the upload option. So when I click upload option, you can upload image, you can upload 3D models, you can upload videos, and you can upload any other files. all the files you can upload. So for example, I am going to upload a 3D model. So this 3D model, like uh, how many of you know about Tinkercad. In the Tinkercad, we know how to create a 3D models. So that Tinkercad models we can upload here. So here I'll click this 3D model and I will click here upload, and I'll go to this. See here, this is the like KV Sangathan logo is there as a 3D form. So I'll click this one and I'll click open. Now after uploading of this one, you can see that KV Sangathan model here. So what I can do, I can drag and drop anywhere so that KV Sangathan object like 3D model will come here. So when I see in the top, you can see that KV Sangathan model 3D model came. So in this way, you can upload 3D models or images. Also, you can play a video in the floors. So this is the play mode. Now I played and showed you. So in this way, you can upload your own content. Now when we go for library, just click library. You can see some characters, animals, housing, nature, transport, items, buildings, and more objects. In this, so we will test one by one. So as this is, I don't want, so I'll delete this one. So I can add some like characters like the boy and a man. So in these characters, many characters will be there. Some teachers, doctors, divers, like astronauts and workers. So even you can see pirates. So this kind of pirates I can keep. And when I go for animals, so I can see many animals, like I can keep a deer and elephant, and I can keep a camel and a dinosaur. And a blue whale and some birds. Yes. So these are the animal category. I kept some things, and housing you can keep like furnitures or a cupboard or TV. Everything is, it will be there. If you don't have anything, you can like you can create and you can upload here. So I'll keep something. It's just for example. So like I kept a fish like a blue whale in the mountain area. So don't mistake me. This is just for a sample purpose. I showed you. So I'll keep some houses if I want. Here we can keep some house, and in nature I'll keep some like trees. So in that way we can keep more things, more items, like if you want like a small pot flowers also we can keep. So in that way, I can keep some nature items, then transport. Then come to transport, we have a more transport items available like a bus, car, train, everything. I can keep some boat. I'll keep one boat over here. Boat in near to that boy, so that we can test it how that boy can robot, and we can keep a ship, helicopter, aeroplane, rocket. Even we can keep a rocket here. And items, some of the like items like pan and knife, book, cannons, this everything is available. If you want, you can keep it. I don't want anything, so I'll skip it and I'll go for building. If you want, you can keep like a text, you can keep some small like empty space. If you want, you can keep it. If you want wall, you can keep it. I can keep some walls, so that yeah, big wall, I kept it here. So in this way you can keep all the things. In special, you can keep additional cameras like foggy items, smoke, and fire. And these are the like camera movement path. So in this way, in this camera, we can move the cameras. So or else you can move the camera in the path also. So so these are the libraries. So I'll move that library, and now we will play and check how this is, like how it's look like. So here the play button is there. I'll click play. Now you can see in our angle how that boat is there. We can move and we can see. So I am using my keyboard key buttons, and I am moving here. I'm moving near to the dinosaur, and I can move to the rocket, and I can move this all the persons, and I can see all the things. Even I can move inside this grass. Also the blue whale is there on top of us. So this is the we have created a scene. So I hope up to this is everyone is clear. So is anybody have any doubts? Yes, sir. Krishna Maheshwari. Yes,
So Amarnath,
yes,
the teachers
yes.
are on mute, but the teachers,
Okay.
those who are raising their hand, Gokul, I request you can unmute, and yeah, even teachers, you can use chat box.
Yes, in the chat box also you can
I
ask.
will be, yeah, you can, the chat box is open. You can write in the chat
Yes.
box, because muting is something, cause
Okay, okay, got it.
disturbance.
Yeah, got it, Neeraj.
Yes, yes, yes. Thank you.
Yes. So now we will keep some animation for this items, like for all the characters we will keep some animations. So if I double click the object or animal, so I can see, you can see there is a like menu item is opening. In this you can click animation. So if I click animation, you can see some animations will come like attack and eat, dance. So what I'm doing, I'm keeping dance for the dinosaur, and the dinosaur is going to dance, and the elephant, double click that, click animations, I can keep eat. So the elephant will eat, and deer, so this one will like run, and that boy, I'll click animations, and I'll go for actions. Here ride bike is there, or I can go for actions in this. Robot is available, so I'll click robot, so he will robot. And the pirate, I'll click pirate for defense. And that camel, I'll click camel for like a dance. And the blue whale, so blue whale I can go for like jump. So the blue whale will jump. So the blue whale is suitable for water field, not in this field, but to understand, I kept here. Now we can play and see how it is happening, everything. Now we can see that a dinosaur is dancing here, and that elephant is eating, and deer is running, but in the same place. The person is rowing boat, but not in the boat. He is kept sitting in different place, and he is rowing boat, and that camel is dancing. And you can see that yeah, here it's the blue whale is jumping. So in that way we kept some animations. So we will do some more optimizations. We'll go back edit mode. And now, so the main thing is the boat. So the person, he is not rowing boat properly. So what I'll do, I'll double click this person, and you can see attach. When I click attach, you can see where I want to attach. where I want to attach. I want to attach the boy in the boat. So what I have to do, I'll click the boy. I'll click attach. I will attach in the top of the boat. So now you can see if I play this, now the boy is like he's rowing boat on in sitting in the boat. Yes. So up to this, we have optimized, and now what we are going to learn now is we are going to do some programmings. What programmings we can do is we can do like movement, jumping, and all other things we can do programming. We can do some small program right now, and we will learn this. For that, for for what items we are going to do programming, that we have to enable the programming coding mode, then only we can do programming. So in this you can see, we will see this deer. This deer, it's not running, it's moving in the same place. So what we are going to do, double click the deer, and you can see code option is available. So when I click code option, you can see use in code blocks. So in this like a Delight Text software or the platform, they people will call is called a code blocks. So code blocks is nothing but a programming. So I have to enable the code blocks for the deer. Now we enabled. So now you can see that deer will run forward. Like we can program it like it will move forward. And I'm going to do the programming for the camera. So that camera will move from this place to this place. Like automatically it will move. So I'll click this, double click this, and I will again opt for use in code blocks. Now I have to click code. When I click code, we have to program in a like Python also we can program this all the things, and code blocks. Code blocks is the easy method, and it's a drag and drop method. So when I click code blocks here, so I'll when I click for transformation, just click this transformation. You can see move camera 1 meter forward. So here, if you drag down, you can see camera and deer. Why the two option is available? Because this for this two option only we have opted for the programming mode. Otherwise, for all other object, it's not will come under the programming. That means code mode. This only two things will come. First, we will do the programming for the deer. So this deer, it's selected now. So this deer will move forward for 1 second. So I'll keep it like not 1 second. I'll keep it for 10 seconds. So when I play, now you can see. So the deer, it's not moving. When I click played deer male, it's I kept only 1 meter. I'll click it for 10 meters, not 10 meters, 20 meters we will keep, so that it will move long distance. So I'll play this. Now you can see the deer is coming forward. That's it. So this is the 20 meters. So it stopped here. Now we will do programming for the camera. So what I can do is I'll keep the camera here. So I'll click code and I'll go for transformation. I'll move camera. So here what I will do is after this deer moved 20 meters in 10 seconds, then the camera will move 50 meter left 50 meter left side in a 10 seconds. So this is the programming what I made now. So now we will see how it's happening. So first the deer will move 20 meters. After this, camera will start moving from, it will move left. Yes. Now you can see the camera, it's moving 50 meters. So in this way, we can do this VR. So the programming part I'll end up here, and we will see how we can see this VR mode. So for that, we have to use our mobile phone. So up to this, we have created our own environment. We can use this environment for AR also. We can use this for VR also. So to show that, I'll connect my mobile here. So this is my mobile screen. I hope you all can see this my mobile. Can anyone respond me? Can you able to see my mobile screen?
Yes, Amarnath,
Yes.
it's
So
visible.
Yes, Amar.
yeah, thank you, Neeraj. So here we need to download the app, Delaytex app that I have already downloaded. So this is the Delaytex education app. I hope already you people got this link where we have to download for app Android and Apple. So this is the two things what I have made here, and here already I. Logged in from my account. I have to log in here again with the same email account. That is the important thing. Then only what we created there, that will come here, otherwise it will not come here. So I'll click this one, and I'll click my email ID. I'll add my email ID here. Yes, now I have logged in with my email ID where I have created that project. The same thing I have opted here. So here you can see gallery, collections, classes, and more. In this option, first like gallery. So if you open gallery, what we saw in that app, the same thing we can see here. So that dust creek is the thing what we have opened. So the same thing I can open and I can show you. So here also the same way, the all the asset will load first, then only our scene will be open. So here, if you play this, and you can see that same kind of scene here. In this also, using your like fingers, you can move and you can uh, go wherever you want. So this is the like it's from gallery. It's not what we created. To see what we created, for that we have to go back and we have to go for that more option. And downside, right side corner, you can see more option. If you click that more option, you can see the projects. If you click the project, it will show our project. The project is written, right? That is what we created now. When I click that one, it will load the project. So as I said, this it will load all the asset, then only it will show in our mobile screen. So now you can see my mobile screen as it is like what we created the same project. In this mobile app also we can edit, we can change the environment, we can change the raining, and we can change everything. So I can again the same way we can change like a characters, like a transport, we can edit, do all the edit in this also. But this is not recommended, as this is like a small screen, it is very difficult to do all the things. So I recommend to use the computer to edit. Only you can use your mobile to see. Now if you want to see this in a proper way, you have to click play on the right side of on your mobile phone. Once again I am reminding you, this is my mobile screen. If I click play, see, it will play the entire project. So the rain sound what we have kept, that is coming here, and I can move using the button. So as we programmed it, first the deer it's moved front, then the camera it's moved 50 meters. After that, I can move, I can walk using this button. You can see there is a button. So I can walk using this button, and I can jump it using this arrow up, arrow marker, and I can go front back everywhere. So in this way, I can move around wherever I want. The main thing is coming here. On right side corner, you can see there is a like a icon given over here. That is like a VR icon. It's given. If you click this icon, and you can see three options are there. First, the last option is turn on gyro. When I click turn on gyro, so it is connected with my mobile gyroscope. See, I'll show my, I'll turn my video on. So I hope you can see my video. Also, you can see the screen, right? Can anyone confirm? Can you see my screen and my video?
Yeah, Amar.
Yes, yeah, thank you. So here you can see I turned my mobile phone, and if I move this also it's moving. So it is connected with my mobile phone gyroscope, so that however I am moving, that video also will move in that way. So this is like a normal video, but first we are going to experience the AR. To experience the AR, I have to click that icon again. I can see Weave in AR option is available. I have to click the Weave in AR option. When I click this option, it will load, and the camera will open, and it will scan your screen. So you can see there is a dot mark is coming. When the dot mark is coming means your floor is suitable to see. If I touch on top of my mobile phone screen, you can see all the characters will come in my home. You can see the characters came in my home. Now I can go in front. I can see. You can see in this, in my home, there is a paper over here. The floor mat is also it's there. The chair is there. The door is there. All the things are there intact. But on top of that, you people can see the imaginary parts like dancing of camels and dancing of dinosaurs, and the whale is bouncing and smoke is coming over here, and the deer is moving. So these are the things. It's called augmented reality. So augmented reality means like keeping off an imaginary object on top of the real world. It's called AR, augmented reality. So now in this, there is some limitations are there. I'll let you know what is the limitations later. At last, I'll tell you. So now we will go for the VR. So when I click play once again, it will play again the same icon. The left side icon will be there. If I click that icon, you can see Weave in VR. When I click view in VR, you can see there is a two video will come. Two video will come. In this, I have my own VR headset. This is what VR headset what I made with the like cardboard. So this is also Google Cardboard. So what I'll do, I'll open this Google Cardboard. So in this way, I have to open my Google Cardboard. I'll do one thing. I'll stop my video settings. So I hope this is visible now. So here you can see this Google Cardboard. Here is the Google Cardboard. What I have to do, I have to like here is my mobile phone. I have to keep this mobile phone inside this Google Cardboard like this and close this, and I can see like this. So when I can see in this, I can see like inside the like mountain, some rain is coming, and I can see the wall, and I can move by clicking the mobile screen. By clicking the mobile screen, here you can see there's a small gap is available. The screen gap is available. When I touch it, it will move. So I don't know whether can you able to see in the screen or not. I'm just trying to show in the camera. So I don't know whether it is clear or not, but if I wear this in the thing, I can just. So I'll reset once again. So we will VR. Now I close it. Now I can see that dinosaur is dancing, and all the deer is moving, and the my camera is going to move as I programmed it. Left side it will move 50 meters. The same way it's moving. While wearing this VR headset, if I see on top, I can see the sky. But in really, I can see it's a flooring. The same way, after wearing of this headset, if I see the downside, I can see the like a gray color mud or the flooring in the virtual reality world. But here on downside, I can see the tiles. So in this way, you can experience AR and VR with your available materials. So as I said to you, there is a limitations. What is the limitation? The AR. To experience the AR, you have to share my mobile screen once again. To experience the AR, you have to download a app. It is not an app, it is a service. It's a default service available in the your phone. When you purchase a phone, it will be available in the your phone. It is not available, or it is not like suitable for low end models. It is starting with the mid end range. So for that you have to go to Play Store and just search for AR core. Okay, so I hope it will not be available. It will be defaultly will come in your mobile phone. But I'll tell you in what are all the mobile phone this AR core is suitable. To check that, you can click the, like in the Google, you can search for the AR core supported device. When you click AR core supported device, if you click, it will take you to the Google website. In that downside, some of the device models will be available. You can locate your device. If that device is suitable, if it is available in this page, then you can experience the AR in your phone. Otherwise, it is not possible. So one more AR very easy concept I'll tell you. Like in your phone, you can, to test that AR core is available in your phone or not. If you want to check it, you can go to the Google, and you can open a new tab. In that, you type any animals like a dinosaur. So if you just type dinosaur, on downside, you can see there is a 3D option is available, like see a dinosaurs in your space. This type of thing will be available. So when you click this view in 3D, you can see the 3D dinosaur. It's a animated model. That animated model, it's a movable, like you can zoom it and zoom out, and you can turn it around, you can make it bigger. If you want to bring this dinosaur in your space, on downside you can see there is a button called weave in your space. When you click weave in your space, just click weave in your space, it will ask you, camera will open, it will scan, and when it got a yes, now you can see a dinosaur entered in my home. So you can keep your any materials, and you can click a picture. When the AR core is not available in your phone, this will not appear. Like only up to this it will come. Up to this it will come. You can't able to see this weave in your phone. So the AR core is bit important. So this is it. That's it from my end. So now I just open the stage for any doubts. So teachers can raise your hand and you can ask me the doubts. So teachers, those who have doubts, you can raise your hand so that I can unmute you and you can ask. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Sir, if it is this feature, 3D feature is not available in mobile.
Sorry, ma'am, your voice is breaking. Can you repeat the question?
Hello, sir.
Yes, sir.
Sir, I'm Jayesh from Hiramani School.
Yes, sir.
Suppose my mobile is not supported AR code service.
Yes.
Then
Yes.
what to do, sir?
Sir, if that device is like mid-range or higher end models only, the AR core is supportable. That AR, it's not a software, it's a hardware. It's like you need a dedicated GPU, it's required in your phone. Then only you can fully experience the AR. Otherwise, you can't experience AR, only you can experience VR, sir.
Sir, can we use a laptop to experience this AR code service?
No, sir. AR core service, it's done by Google, sir. The AR core is developed by Google. When you search in the AR core, it will come AR core service by Google. That means the Google developed the AR core only for the Android application, not for laptop, sir.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Yeah, thank you, sir.
Sir, this co-blocks, using co-blocks is not coming.
So when
It is showing book, but it is not coming.
Yeah.
Hello.
Amar, you are muted, Amar.
Am I audible now?
Yeah.
Yeah, thank you, Google. So here you have to enable the code for any object, any one object. Say for example, I'll click this camel and I'll double click this and I'll go for code. I'll enable this code, then only my coding will enable. Otherwise, you can't see this coding. Yes, sir. Yes, any more questions?
Actually, sir, we saw this particular thing in Flipkart while purchasing the phone.
Which one, sir?
This particular thing we saw in the flip purchasing the phone.
I didn't get you, sir. So could you please repeat?
Augmented reality. This was integrated into the Flipkart application where
Yes.
users can see this particular phone which they are buying. This was there. If the teachers have also seen this, this was a part of it.
Yes, sir. Now nowadays, all many e-commerce sites are they are bringing this AR to experience the customers like satisfaction. Like if you want to purchase a watch, you can opt for the AR. Then you can check it whether that watch is suitable to your hand or not. Then you can purchase. Not only this watch, you can use it for jewelry and many other applications. Even nowadays, if you want to purchase a sofa, you can download the particular app and you can see it is you can like choose for the suitable sofa and color for your home, sir.
And coloring the applications also.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. So this is why the importance. This is why when your childrens or when your students are very well versed in this AR and VR, in future they can able to do many things. Like even they can like create a large like they can go for a good salary or they can get a good packages, or else they can create a good project. They can even they can start their own startup with these things.
Great. I think Amber, it was a good session, and it's been we have very less time, teachers. So I think we definitely I can see a lot of messages in the group, and teachers are very well happy with the content that you have delivered, and I think they will try this application. I think it needs time because if it's something new for us, we need time to understand for practice. So I would like to request all the teachers, so as the Amarnath has shared the about the content about the mi this AR/VR, so it's request first you try at your end, and definitely if you have any challenge, any questions, so we are here. He will be there for answer. I'll request him to be there on the next call also. We'll take 5 to 10 minutes for doubts for this AR and VR really regarding the software, and we will share some resources with you so that it will help you to create your first AR VR. So thank you so much, Amarnath, for sharing such good content. I think this will help teachers to plan their curriculum. Even teachers can plan their activities through this technical app. Yeah. So teachers, thank you so much for giving good attending this session and giving us a good feedback. And so we have this content is so long. Even if I say is MIT App Inventor, there are a lot of things that we can explain. Then in this AR VR, there are a lot of things. Then we have time constant. Even we have not got a time to go with 3D printing, but definitely we'll start the first topic with 3D printer tomorrow, and definitely we'll cover that part where I do not want to miss anything. Yes, and we'll try to reduce our break time and the other times. If the teachers join morning quickly, we'll begin our session tomorrow quickly around 11:10. Will not take much time, and we'll try to reduce break time also, so that we'll cover the remaining things. Yeah. So, teachers, again, I'm repeating on Saturday, we have, I'll request one of the team member from AIM Nitya, those who are going to address your doubts and queries. And parallelly, I hope everyone has marked their attendance. Please mark your attendance. If you have not joined the group, already the link has been shared. Please join the group, and we will share the assignments on day last day on Saturday. And yes, so if anyone have any doubt, you can text, inform, connect with me over the WhatsApp. Definitely, I'll answer you over the WhatsApp. Not possible for me to take the calls because thousands and thousands of teachers are here, and it's not possible for me to reply over the call. But definitely, I'll back to you over the WhatsApp. Yes. So feedback link already we have shared. I'll share the feedback link in the group also. So you can write your feedbacks. Yeah, go Amarnath. I request if you have not shared the cardboard link, you share with the teachers over here in the group and with me also personally, so that I'll share this in the WhatsApp group. So teachers, would like to request, please mark your attendance, feedbacks, and if you have something want to share on written on paper, definitely you can share a feedback on with us also. I'll share one template with all of you. And yeah, so I think it's time to wrap up. Will not take much time. And just unmuting the teachers for a last interaction, then we'll be closing this call. Yeah.
सर मेरे एक ही
Sir,
क्वेश्चन है
attendance
कि
link has not yet come, sir.
Gokul, can you
For
please
the
share the
group also.
attendance link with everyone? The
Sure.
attendance link is same basically. Attendance link is same. You can use the previous also. You just need to change the date. Yes, yes, Gokul.
सर मेरा एक क्वेश्चन है कि जो गूगल प्ले सर्विस ए आर है ये अपना उसमें नहीं शो हो रहा प्ले स्टोर पे एक्चुअली ये सपोर्टेड है कि नहीं ये कोई शो नहीं बता रहा वो
Open nahi ho raha. I have shared the link in the group for the mobile app. Please use it.
सर पर एक्चुअली प्ले स्टोर पे सर्च ही नहीं हो रहा ना नाम सर्च कर रहे हैं तो
I think
और ऐसे
lot
गूगल
of people. I just go with the link. I think go with the link because a lot of teachers have installed. I have shared one link. It's a iOS or Android. Just check.
एंड्रॉइड सर
Yes, yes. I have already shared the link. Android for Android also I've shared
सर
the link.
नहीं सर
Click.
ये तो वो अपना वीआर का था ना एआर का जो ऐप कह रहे थे सर प्ले स्टोर से डाउनलोड करने को
Sir, I'll
Amar,
share the link here, so you can check that. If
the link is there in
if your
the.
device is if your device is suitable, then you can able to download this Google AR Core. Otherwise, if your device is not compatible, you can't able to download this. It will tell that not compatible
सर
device.
एक्चुअली वो तो सर बता ही देगा ना प्ले स्टोर पे कि कंपेटेबल है कि नहीं पर वो भी बता नहीं कर रहा ना
Yes, sir.
वो
It will
सर्च ही
down.
नहीं हो रहा एक्चुअली
You
वो
just
सर्च ही नहीं आ रहा ना
you just type Google Play Service for AR. I pasted the link in the chat box also. You can
Okay, sir.
search in that
I will
way.
try it.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Other teachers have any
Okay.
doubt, or should
Okay,
we
okay, sir.
close this call?
नीरज सर
ओके
हेलो
सर ये
नीरज
हो
सर
गया
Yes.
सर मेरे ना क्वेरी है एग्जाम पोर्टल से लेकर के सर क्या पूछ सकते हैं कैन यू हियर मी
जी सर बताइए.
सर मेरा ना एग्जाम पोर्टल का मैंने आपको तो एक बार पर्सनली बात करके मैंने वो आपको एक क्या कहते हैं पीडीएफ भी भेजी थी जो मैंने अपने स्कूल का टेम्पलेट में उसमें बना करके उनको स्पेशली भेजा था एग्जाम पोर्टल के लिए कि मेरा आईडी पासवर्ड रीसेट नहीं हो पा रहा है तो उसमें कोई निक आईडी का भी होता है निक आईडी वगैरह का पासवर्ड मांगता है पर वो मेरे दोनों ही जैम पोर्टल और निक का दोनों का सर मेरा रिकवर नहीं हो पा रहा उससे पहले जो टीचर थे उन लोगों
ठीक.
से मेरी कोई बात नहीं हुई थी
मैं समझ
तो
गया. मैं समझ गया. मैं समझ
और
गया. ऐसा करते हैं.
हेल्प जी जी
जी जी जी जी. So, उसी के लिए मैं आपको बता रहा था कि सैटरडे को हमारे साथ टीम कनेक्ट हो रही है ऑपरेशन वर्क के लिए. वो आपको डेफिनेटली आपको गाइड करेंगे इस चीज के लिए.
ओके
ठीक
सर
है. जी
थैंक यू
थैंक यू.
थैंक यू
Yeah, teachers, I hope this is now clear. Time for wrap up. We'll meet again tomorrow with some new topics, and please join on time. So we'll cover maximum to maximum things. I know ATL is so huge कि इसको 20 घंटे में कवर करना भी बहुत ही पॉसिबल नहीं है. तो we'll try to cover
Hello,
as
sir.
max we can.
Hello.
And yes, yes, and and you also be like अगर आप you are in the group जो हमारा group बना हुआ है, if you all are there, be there so that in future
Hello.
we have a lot of things are coming. We have a lot of things are coming, so we will update you all the things in the group. Right. So and be stay there, be connected over there. So we'll update you whatever the new things are coming, any event program, trainings for teachers, for students. मैं वो group में सब post करता रहूंगा. I will be the admin. I'll be there for there. So throughout the year, definitely I'll post you for some new things coming over there. Yes, ma'am. Someone is saying.
हेलो सर
Yes.
Yes, ma'am. आपका
Hello.
device
ये वीडियो हम कैसे सेव कर
आपका
सकते हैं?
आपका मैम आपकी वॉइस इको कर रही है. मे आई नो योर नेम फर्स्ट. Who is speaking?
My name is Rupali
Hello.
Sahu. Still in
Actually,
higher secondary.
there are two devices, मैम. I think आपने दो डिवाइसेस ज्वाइन किया. आपका वॉइस रिपीट हो रहा है. आपका वॉइस अब रिपीट हो रहा है.
Hello, sir. Hello.
हेलो
Hello, sir.
Hello. Yes, ma'am.
Sir, shall we purchase from Amazon also?
There are some guidelines as I told. आपको कुछ है ना, तो आप कहाँ से कर सकते हैं. मैं अब ऐसे आई एम नॉट से कि आप यहाँ से लीजिए. आई रिक्वेस्ट एक बार आप गाइडलाइंस पढ़िए, उसमें सब मेंशन है कि आप जेम से लेना चाहते हैं, क्योंकि बिलिंग्स भी इंपॉर्टेंट होती है. जब आप अपना यूटिलाइजेशन सर्टिफिकेट जनरेट करते हो, उसके लिए बिल्स प्रॉपर होने चाहिए. तो आपसे रिक्वेस्ट है, एक बार गाइडलाइंस देखिए, आपका स्कूल कौन सा है, उसके लिए क्या रिकमेंड किया है. ठीक है. I think your
Nowadays, the dashboard
voice.
is different.
Ma'am, I think there's a network problem from my end, from your end, I don't know. Uh, Voice is stuck. Yeah. Any else want to check, or should we close this call? Okay. So there is no request. So I think it's time to go. Thank you, teachers, for your
Thank you, sir. And
time. Oh, just a second. I think someone is muted. Just let me unmute. Then we'll close this call now. Yes. Want to say something, or should we now closing this call? I think someone is saying, Mitesh,
thank you,
Rakesh.
thank you, sir, for this beautiful session. And it was very interesting. We learned something about coding and how the block-based work based, and it will surely help and guide other students also through this session.
Welcome.